What's your name?
Yo. It's
What's
your boy
your
right there.
name?
You're back. Yo.
I went to sleep. Woke up the next day. Remember that shit vividly, nigga. That nigga eyes like this.
Alright, hold on.
What's your name?
Hold on. Taj.
Hey, what's his name?
Taj.
I'm a murderer.
Taj. Easy. Before I can talk about the story.
No.
Yo. It's your boy White Pree back at the gas station.
Rolling that gas. I need to get my
I gotta take off this, but you can't hear those shit. Because all the noise. All right, who we got in the building today?
We got Shay Baby. Shay with a C.
Green boat.
I know it's the boy DJ Ranger.
Don't know a TAJH, cause I don't know even know if it's spell my blood clot name. Much less pronounce it.
Jamaica,
It's not TAHJ.
Nah, it's TAJH.
Taj.
H is silent.
All right, so we're there up on Thursday night, 10:28 p.m. We
I love Thursdays.
love Thursdays. Why is that?
Because it's right before Friday. I
Okay.
be feeling lucky.
You're right. Today was a lucky day. You know what I'm saying?
You.
That's one of the things we're gonna talk about. You know what I'm saying? Luck, the scratch offs and the lottery and shit like that. So all week a nigga been playing lottery. I know.
How that been going?
I've been playing. Well, I keep saying lottery, but scratch off. I mean, it's technically kind of the same thing. You know what I'm saying?
How much
But
money you won
today or like
in general?
Within the week.
in general?
This week, how much you
This
make
week?
this week?
This
How
week,
much you invest this week? How much you make?
This week, I could say I made a good probably $80 total.
And how much you spent?
About $15.
Okay.
That's good.
Yeah, because all I buy is like the dollars and the $2 one. And every time I buy them, I win at least $20, $25.
And you go back, go play for $5.
Yeah, exactly.
Man, put on
Exactly.
$10, pay the rest of it.
Nah, but if I win 25, I'm buying 5 more to save that dub. You see me? And then if I win back all around $4, $3, alright, bet, try again. You see me? Just say go. $1, I'm not gonna play. But that $2 I win like just a while ago. Man, Victor buy 5 of them. You see me? I'm gonna win $1 per one and $20 per next one. You see me? So
You win, man.
exactly. You
You
know
win
what I mean? So now I'm about to save that dub, buy 5 more, see if I win or lose. If I win or leave, it's whatever. It's $5.
So
I
now,
still buy scratch off. I'll buy like the $2 $5. And I'll buy like 5 at a time. Like
Yeah.
not each row.
Yeah.
And plus,
That's
when
when you
I
gotta do
wasn't
it.
that shit heavy, I would go on FloridaLottery.com, look at which ones they just dropped,
It's just hitting.
the holiday ones, which ones they still don't got no jackpots. I can do all that shit.
Yeah. I'm trying to win that 10 bands though. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm gonna win it.
Go ahead.
I just gotta
boss, man.
keep playing, you know what I'm saying? Cause today, let me tell you, I need to see now.
I'd rather play with scratch offs than the fucking casino.
Yeah. Bro, today we technically like we almost figured out the sauce to this shit.
To the casino?
Nah, to the
The
scratch
scratch
off, yeah.
Yeah, it'd be like the numbers on the bottom too.
Bro.
Yeah, I do my
y'all gotta
research.
tell me the sauce. Fuck
We had
that.
like the same numbers for the 10 bands, bro. It was like the same 7, 10 bands, 9, 10 bands, 8, 10 bands, 7. It's like all
So
of
if
it,
you're getting a 7 or 8, you have a high chance of getting jackpot.
basically.
7's a lucky
9.
number.
That's what
Yeah.
I'm saying. It was 7, 8,
8
9.
is, you know.
And it's crazy because I think on Monday I won $25 from 7. That's why I was telling you 25 on my birthday when I won $25.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's me.
that was a 7.
Yes, sir.
You know, we're gonna shoot for that 10 bands. Gotta go I got 2 tickets. I gotta go cash in.
Man, all I need is to dream like 7 numbers. Put them shits together.
Yo, my
You
grandma
know,
do not
Roger
play.
be walking in there talking about It's 8 billion right now.
What?
With his scratch offs and his fucking lottery tickets in his hand. That man don't play.
Mm-hmm. Religiously. Grandma? She don't play by her lotto. Scratch off.
Oh, people love that
She
shit.
love that shit.
Yeah.
Sure.
You don't play scratch off?
You got some for us?
Dream book? Nah, we already.
Awesome.
That's what I'm saying. I got.
We would have scratched some bitches together.
So look,
With a penny, bitch.
But
how about?
I've been looking for quarters.
What,
How
a
about-
quarter?
Look, how about everybody put $50? We gonna buy.
My mom's
You
job.
know what's
is
funny you
fucking
said that
good.
though? Because I was
No.
gonna say that, right? So check me out.
And we gonna buy some $1 and $2
My
ones.
mom's job is to do that. They
What's-
would put in.
And
Just buy a shit ton.
we gonna see.
Alright.
You know what I'm saying?
Here's a question. What's the most y'all would put in on the lottery right now? You say, oh, once a month, we're gonna put in X amount of dollars.
Scratch off for like the lottery.
Anything.
Lottery.
Anything.
That's more iffy.
All right, lottery. I
Scratch
don't know.
off,
I never played lottery to see like my chances or nothing like that. I don't know.
It's more vast. Like the most I've ever won off of that shit, or like my mom, because I've been giving her numbers since legit. Most of what I see was like $50, maybe $100.
Yeah.
You better off playing with scratch offs.
Bro,
But if you do
that's
get
what I'm
off of those,
The
you
scratch
gonna
off,
get way bigger than
nigga, the
that.
same scratch off I'm talking about. I bought a $2 on my first time ever buying that one, right? Bought a $2 one and won $100.
You sick.
Nigga, from that day, I ain't
Bitch,
stopped
you-
buying that shit.
Yeah.
And I've been winning like
And you know
25,
it's your luck,
5,
bro.
25, 20. It just, I'm gonna get that 10 minutes, bro.
That's it, man.
It's like,
That's gonna be free.
we'll get it.
What you gonna do with the 10 bands when you win it, sir?
I'm gonna get a.
That goddamn thing. You gonna look at it like,
A
ooh.
whip.
Car.
No, we already got a whip. Get a crib. I'm probably gonna get another studio and
What
ATL.
else?
Somebody get
Save.
this stew in the ATL.
In the
Start my I might start my rental business or the vending machine business.
Well,
I
I
got a few.
definitely want to do like
I got a
property
few
rentals.
vendors.
I
Yeah.
can't bother with cars.
I need some passive income. You know what I'm
What?
saying? So
Man, I know this guy who knows a guy.
I know a guy.
Yeah.
My brother's a
He
guy.
he bought a piece of land, big
Yeah.
piece of land, you know, big money thing. Built a building with 50 different apartments, like 2, 3 bedrooms, 50 tenants.
That's how you gotta do it.
What?
50 tenants.
In a
Guess how
1.1
much?
land?
Yeah.
On one.
Oh, he had a lot of money, so he bought
Property?
some big land. Put an apartment complex with 50
Oh, you put an
tenants.
apartment
Yeah.
complex.
Yeah,
How long
that's
it
how
took
you
to
gotta
build
do
it?
it.
He built it from scratch?
Yeah, like he bought the land and built it from scratch. I don't know how long it took though, but that shit up now. Guess how much
Probably
he
a
made?
year.
Nah,
Bro,
I don't
them
even want to
niggas
know.
be-
He
Guess how
M.
much he
Nigga,
make?
bro,
He
them
big
niggas-
M.
Probably
Guess how
a
much
year,
you make
fam.
a month?
Them
Nah,
niggas be
ain't
moving
no
fast.
Nah, less than
In what
that.
state? What state?
But, all right,
Oh,
see,
rent up.
but that's what I'm saying. Them niggas be
What
moving
city?
fast.
I
Fam.
don't know.
They do. You know one at the university?
That's caps. That's caps.
The one
In
at
Florida,
university is
Nigga,
moving.
them
to
niggas
build up
be
blood
moving
clot hosts
fast,
in
fam.
Florida, the only place that we see hosts build up some blood clot quick, bro. I couldn't believe this shit was fucking Texas.
Oh,
Texas
Nah,
had me like, bro, these motherfuckers put up this
that's
shit.
why them shits blew down
Nah.
in that fucking store.
Nah,
Yeah.
Like
Which
literally.
family?
Don't be made
Which
out of
family, right? It's
anything.
Burger King that's about the car wash. You didn't see them new houses, nigga.
Watch
About
me.
3 months, they build them shits up. I was like, what the fuck? Right on 13th Street.
Yeah.
Buffalo too, they always
They
be
be moving.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, even the new shit right there on
right off Atlantic.
Nah,
and they already
31st.
sold out.
Oh no,
Prospect.
right in Pompano in
Oh.
fucking Ugly Corner.
Over
that
there,
new
yeah, they
shit.
did that quick.
They did that shit
They
quick
They
as
did
fuck.
that quick.
On a serious note,
It's probably
quick
cheap.
story, quick funny story. Bro, I got lost one time, right, in the truck. And I brought the truck to Ugly Corner, bro. And I didn't know until I'm passing this shit. And I'm like, blood clot, what's 1800 block, yes, sir. And then I sip beer, get the people, I look on them, I whine on them. When I look up in that truck, I look for me like, what you doing here, nigga? Like,
Big
I ain't
ass
never
truck.
seen this little
Big
nigga
ass
before.
truck, yeah.
Yeah.
Big ass
They probably
truck
thought it
don't
was
come through,
somebody
yeah,
named Lou. What? Bro, to get out that bitch, I went on the wrong side of the road, call up the whole traffic, take up the whole blood clot, nigga like everyone down. I see
Trying to make a U-turn.
Nah, I'm making a right
Oh,
to get
damn.
onto the
Like a tractor trailer?
The turnpike or
nigga
I
to
did.
get onto 95. Hey, you know it's a 95 right there, so.
nah, nigga, that's
Alright, you know where
that's
the-
a turnpike.
Yeah, you're right. It's turnpike.
The 95 is way
It's
up
turnpike,
Atlanta,
it's
where we-
turnpike,
it's
turnpike.
where we at.
It's turnpike. You can tell I don't be on that side like that. Over there, I be locking my doors. I be terror over there. I be
Yo,
paranoid.
man, I be scared when I'm scared, but
sad.
I
I
be
ain't
like
gonna lie.
that in Lauderhill.
Bro.
My car got shot at Lauderhill.
In
so-
Lauderhill, I feel the same way I do in
Yo,
Nah, I ain't
I be
gonna lie.
sitting in my
When
car,
I go-
motherfuckers walking up to my window talking to me. Like, where do they do that at?
Take
In
That would
Lauderhill,
never
what
happen
you
in
mean?
Margate.
In Lauderhill.
Never.
Never in like Burgundy.
Margate, what?
That is
Don't
not Vertigate. Stop it.
do that.
Stop it. You never heard no.
Renegade, I know you
You never
heard
heard
about
no
it,
killings. Who's house
You
shooting?
know, down in Renegade, you know, we low key. You'll never know.
Never knew.
We
Who's
be
in
on the
Burgundy?
old folks.
What happened?
Talking about Margate.
Yeah, exactly. You see? Ain't
no
never heard
sense.
about Vertigate.
Yo, on that
Man.
big man level, you know some real snipers in Margate, but
I'm trying to told you.
on the Fed side though.
Yeah.
But it
Bro, they
never
killed
happened
Osama
in
bin Laden.
Margate.
Bro, what are you talking about?
It's
You
not
gotta
happening
remember,
in
fam.
Margate.
It don't matter what city they gonna put, right? It
That
matter
shit
where these.
happened in Pompano, in
Mm-mm.
Lauderhill. It's not
Margate
in
is
Margate.
Pompano. Margate is Pompano.
No, I
Nah,
know,
yeah,
but
So,
I know, but you know when I say
we
Pompano,
thought like
I-
for real. Man, a couple years ago, Margate was not a thing. It was Pompano.
Nah,
Yeah,
I know.
true,
I know.
true.
Wait, really?
So, yeah.
But I'm
Nah,
not
it
gonna
still
lie.
is. Like, it's
Yeah,
still,
some places
like,
they
yeah.
still
If you
call
search
Margate
it up,
Pompano.
like a nigga will tell you North Lauderdale, but if you put it in, it'll come up as Pompano.
Really? North Lauderdale too? Probably like going
A lot of
towards
places
31st.
Something like that. Not like.
Hmm?
Like even
Because
for
North Lauderdale's not really
research
search
is.
Yeah, it's Pompano,
North
yeah.
Lauderdale.
Y'all know what happened, right?
So
So why did
where I live is
try to
Hammer, which
Yeah.
is considered Fort Lauderdale.
Because
That
like
type of thing.
at first,
Yeah.
when
it-
they did like
Yeah,
zip codes and shit, they
Because
only
North
cut
Lauderdale
it
used to be
in
just
certain
Fort
sections,
Lauderdale.
Right.
and then
Then
they
they
went
added
and
the North.
divided it, like certain cities.
So
and
it's
shit
really
like
North Lauderdale.
Smaller
So-
cities just like
Yeah.
subcategorized into that.
Yeah,
They
see,
get
it's
packed
like
up, so it's like you
same
just do
shit.
your own thing.
Yeah,
Nah, it
exactly.
look like they bossing up, bro. Look like certain
It's just
cities
like
are doing
Miami.
more money than other
Miami's
cities. They're
a
like, yo,
Big ass shit,
Miami.
that whole
Miami,
shit is
everything
Miami,
is built
but
up.
yeah.
but you know everything is like,
It's
oh,
not
nah,
built.
from here, I'm from here. Nigga, you still in Miami.
from days.
You know what I'm saying?
Like the-
Yeah, you still in Miami, my nigga.
But
Yeah, fuck where you
Homestead,
from.
that's
Yeah.
Miami.
Miami.
Anything past Hollywood,
Yeah.
Dave.
It shook me the other day when I realized like Broward ends basically at Pembroke Pines.
And
Bitch, I don't even know where Broward
Like-
start or end.
Pembroke Pines is like Miami.
Really, you're right,
I think
exactly.
it's Dade County or something.
I just know I'm in
And
Broward.
then, like Miramar, Davie and shit was like. My whole life I thought Davie and shit was like considered Miami.
No, Davies
I
Broward.
didn't know that. I swear.
Mm-hmm.
Davies
I
Broward.
swear.
I ain't gonna lie. If you go to
They
Davie,
got
it'll make
Broward
you
College
think.
in Davie.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, you
Broward
confused me. I was so
College.
confused. I was like, what the fuck?
How?
Ow. This doesn't make sense. But oh well, let's go.
Oh, yeah, bro. Y'all been to Central Campus on Broward?
That's the one in Sunrise?
That's the same one I think I was just talking about in
Oh
Davie.
man, I confused it. I think South is in Sunrise.
Davie.
Central is Davie, yeah.
Yeah,
I heard South Campus lit.
I never been to South.
What?
Me either. I heard South is lit though.
All them campuses lit. You heard?
You
Yo,
heard?
all
Nah,
they
I heard-
North was
campuses.
like a-
I heard
vibe.
about Central, but I ain't
You
never
know,
heard
you know BTO?
Huh? North.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What campus did you go to?
North is straight. North is straight.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's straight. It's average.
Yeah, North is
It's-
straight.
It's be chilling.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Nothing
It's,
crazy.
it's another
I
high
just
school.
felt like,
Yeah.
like when I left high school, I seen everybody from like there. I was like,
Yeah. That shit was
I gotta get the fuck out of here.
Yeah.
very
Big
much
Creek.
so.
That's what we used to call it.
Yeah, Big Creek.
No college experience.
No high school
None.
experience. Especially if you can't be free.
Stupid
You
ass.
walk.
Terrible.
If you live right there, you walk.
4.4 GPA.
4.8.
Most service hours in my class.
She said 4.4. You add a 0.4 on that.
Oh,
You ain't gonna make no extra bread off that
my
0.4.
bad.
Well,
My bad. I thought, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, 4.8. You heard right?
Nah. I ain't what you
AP
said.
classes.
No, it's honors. I was finessing. I was making sure I got an A or B. Whichever
You know
way
damn
you
well
got
you
it.
was
Shit,
cheating.
listen,
You was
if
cheating
I
on the
got a
book.
C,
Mhm.
that's all I care about.
Man,
know
fuck
how you
them
got-
C's.
Let me get that C.
Man.
Fuck that.
Let
What?
me get that C,
School,
fam.
school. I was like, yo, what's the point of this?
Man, Victor was ass.
Mine.
Ooh, once I learned all I needed was a C, let me get that C.
Man.
I still graduated with you.
Let me get that C.
Victor was just showing up, literally.
None of this shit. Nah.
Nah, but I ain't gonna lie, you know, some places I had a B and shit like that. You know what I mean?
College, I was like,
But
nah. I was
Ain't no
like,
fucking
fuck this
off.
shit.
college,
College, I was like, no, I'm not.
I I tried. That's all I can say. I tried.
I tried.
First semester was fun though. I ain't gonna
It
lie.
was very. We did a lot of shit in the first semester.
You know what's funny though?
First semester we was fucking off. I ain't gonna say we was fucking off, but we was fucking off.
We was fucking off.
Y'all was going work?
Sometimes.
Yeah.
I got
Yeah.
there
We
by
went
the
to
time
class,
y'all were
but like,
juniors, right?
what you talking
We
about?
talking about
BC?
Yeah.
Nah, you
Second
can't-
semester. Nah, it's you probably did like second semester.
Really?
Yeah, second semester.
How?
You
Y'all
gotta
graduated 2 years.
But most of us didn't start back.
Yeah, we didn't start as
that
soon
makes
as.
sense then.
we
Because
didn't
I always
start-
felt like we was on the same accord.
Yeah,
like-
because remember when you was still going to Creek, we was all on the block.
Oh, yeah.
We didn't start.
Facts.
We didn't start until the next semester.
Remember we was leaving BC, pick y'all up.
Yeah,
Y'all graduated.
certain niggas,
And we had BC
as
now.
soon as they graduated, they went straight to.
They
you know what I
waited
mean?
for me, y'all.
I'm dead.
My dog's waiting for me.
Hell nah, niggas was like, y'all boys going to college?
Like, are you going to college?
We gonna see.
We're
We
going to
go.
the block.
Well, we gonna see.
Niggas getting Friday on a daily basis.
Man, this shit was bad.
Yo, we
This how we here
Definitely.
And
today.
I don't know where the fuck we got all that money to smoke all that weed. We was kids.
Nigga, we didn't have any bills, any
That's
responsibilities.
cap.
check was weed.
Cap.
It's not. Nigga, what, your phone bill?
That's terrible.
$50.
I ain't gonna lie. Obviously, me.
Come on, fam.
When I first got a job, fam, it was like,
Alright, see, that's you. You was working at it. Nigga, none of us
Can I
was
get
working.
the license?
Yeah.
I don't think none of us was working. And that's crazy. Like, right after that, that's when I started jet.
I was working.
No.
I was at Icor.
Mhm.
I was making $11 an
I don't
hour.
want to say you for it. I don't want to reach out.
Let me try that Four Loco. I've never had a Four Loco a day in my life.
Don't do it.
Brittany trying to get me
You
drunk
fucking
on
with
Four Loko.
Casamigos.
I ain't sipping
You fucking
yet.
with the big ass flip. Now you trying to fuck with the Four Locos?
Yeah, the Four Loco. Make you go loco.
You driving home?
Right.
Yeah, I'm
That shit
driving
tastes
home.
so good.
I'm gonna make it
Feel
too.
like it.
Nah, you gonna make
Y'all
it
got
for sure.
Sprite?
Sprite? Yeah.
Ooh, this is good. Tastes like sweet beer.
It's funny because they really be doing some. Huh?
So, like, can you drink a whole can by yourself? Is that okay?
I don't think you should.
No cap. I know y'all motherfuckers did that shit when y'all went to Creek. Every single one of you motherfuckers
Four
was
Loko?
drinking them
Nah.
bitches.
Nah.
What?
I never drunk a Four Loko a day in my
Me
life.
either. This is my first time.
First time I had Four Logos was in middle school.
I always heard about it, but
Me too.
never
Yeah,
done
I
it.
didn't like
The
it.
stories I heard, I was scared to touch them.
Yeah, niggas be like, they be fucked up on
But
Four
they
Loko.
have
They
throwing
gonna
up
get a Four
hours and
Loko.
shit.
You know what's
Get a Four
fucked
Loko.
up? You
No,
know
you
what's
could
fucked
get
up?
lit.
Niggas be chugging it.
Yeah.
Like they be. That's why they be throwing up and shit.
Yeah, I feel like you only supposed to really
Forgetting
drink
that
half
it's
a
liquor.
can.
And it's so cheap, and they buying all 2, 3, 4 of them bitches when they first find out about it. Like, oh, I can get drunk off of this?
But I don't think so.
Yo, Pree this.
You think like more?
Do y'all remember when y'all remember y'all first joint? Y'all remember y'all first time smoking?
Yeah, I was at
Yeah.
Creek in the science building bathroom.
First time.
What?
smoking.
That was you.
Nice. Yeah, that was me.
Remember them days?
I remember when I
Oh,
walked
that's
in my
what-
class, my
bathroom.
teacher, she smelled the weed, but she was like, nah, it ain't no way it was her. But I was looking in there, I was in that bitch looking stuck. She was like, nah, is it her that smelled like this? Like, she looked mortified, but she didn't say shit to me. And I wasn't even high, but I was paranoid.
So you just
Wow.
probably hard.
It was probably
Probably,
like-
I don't know.
But you know, you ain't know.
They just kept making me hit the joint. Like, every time I try to pass it back,
You
they're
know.
like, no, you ain't hitting it right. They just kept making me hit it. I'm like, nah,
Nah,
y'all
but
tripping.
that's how I do though.
I was like, fuck that.
Finesse.
I was like, y'all take the show, I'm
She
going back to
ain't
class.
coughing. She doing no. Oh.
Yeah, I wasn't
Nigga.
confident at that.
I was at
They
12th
like,
Street,
nah, you ain't
first
feeling
time in the
this.
joint. Ooh, hit that bit. Had to go straight inside. I don't know.
You
Sleep.
happy as that.
You can't turn up what they were doing, no brother. I don't know what time that sun hot.
What? So now, D.
One sleep.
Man, my mom was just
My first
laughing at me because I burned a hole with this. She was like, what, you burning smoking weed?
Shit, she know.
Yes.
She know.
Yes, mom.
Yes.
Yo, I got 2 pants. Actually, probably all my gym
Yo.
shirts got holes in them bitches because of this
I
shit.
believe you.
Yo,
That
my
shit is the
mom
worst.
sent me some fucking shit on Instagram talking about edibles. She went up to show me to get her edibles.
Oh, your mom was smoking?
Nah, she don't smoke, but she into the
She
THC
consumed.
shit. Yeah, she don't take
She's a real fucking Rasta, you heard? We just gonna say that.
Nah.
In the inner
she
core.
all that is a Rasta.
Bruh, I ain't gonna lie.
My dad was a Rasta.
I asked my mom for
Mm.
comb the other day. She
Like a
said Rasta
real
don't be
life
Real
cool.
Rasta.
Real
Yeah.
life Ross.
Dreads to the floor.
That's the floor.
But eat, like,
It's true.
don't eat pork, none of that, just fish.
Vegan and
Be in the studio, just smoking.
yo, one blood clot thing about it, you have to rate the blood clot rasta. Real blood clot rasta man, then we step on things on, you see me? They live for purpose and shit, and they push that shit to the youths. They don't just keep that information and distill it into themselves and be like,
somebody have a rasta man will live on me yard. Anytime you see me, I always teach me some knowledge.
bro,
Guy,
like
what's me about this split on the step and him about him
I want
split
reason with you. Make sure say your head up on the right
Yeah,
part. Make sure you
yes.
say,
And you have to rate them, man. I don't know where
Great
that
time.
man said. Anytime I pull up, I smell weed. Yeah, man, Ras what I do.
ready to talk to you, blood. Hey boy, come sit down. I have some knowledge for you.
Yeah. Real talk, bro.
Last week, me and my baby mother kicked me out of the house last week because I tell her about her ear never they clean up and thing, you know. Make sure you don't do that, you.
Brittany,
It's better than that. Gas station provided the
Why
gas.
we all
man.
smoking?
Fucking gas.
So what you been up to?
Right?
Dreamboat.
School, work.
What are you studying?
Criminal justice and political science.
Political
So what
science.
is the goal?
I don't know, be a lawyer or something.
A lawyer.
I like
Yeah.
that.
Be a lawyer or something?
I don't know. I wanted to be one since I was like 7. So I was like, I'm gonna just do it. But the more I find out, the scarier I get. That's
Don't
the word.
Scarier.
Don't
Scarier I get.
Scarier.
More
chase your
scary.
dreams.
Scary.
Keep going.
That's what she wanted to say.
I don't know.
They
Like
didn't
literally,
believe in us.
they did
God,
not.
dude.
Yeah.
Nah, but you gotta go get that, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You gotta go get that and show them people that you hurt.
I did it.
How-
I mean, who cares about them people?
yeah, fuck it.
Exactly. That's why you gotta go do it. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, either way, I was gonna
Help.
If it been on your brain since you was like that little,
I mean, I was a kid though. I didn't know what was what.
That don't
And
mean
you know
nothing.
the most when
that
you're
don't
a
mean
kid.
nothing.
You think so?
Your true intentions, your true thoughts, your true you. You couldn't hide that shit. That shit was you.
So you're good
Just
at
like all-
Shit still follow you to this
So you're
day.
good at arguing?
I mean, I'm
Yeah,
good at
can you win a
swaying
debate?
people.
You're good at
I think so.
Persuading.
Me too.
Persuade Victor right now. Sell this nigga
This box. Sell me this box right now.
that
It's not even
dingy
how lawyer
ass
is,
box.
is it? I mean, kinda.
It's a. You gotta, yeah. In a way.
There's
I feel like
nothing
it's more
in that box.
convincing. I mean, yeah, so it's convincing.
Like you can convince him the box has value.
That he
You know,
wouldn't
you put
want
your
to buy it
weed there,
right
they'll
now.
never think anything. Walk around with your box.
I'm sorry, you can't
You
sell
got
me
it.
that box.
No, I want the
Why
box.
not?
I'm sorry, you could probably sell
Oh, I
Vic that
gotta
box. You
sell
can't
it.
sell me that.
Why not?
Sorry.
That box is so
I think
useful.
that
You
you
want
can't
it
sell
already.
me that box.
Not even
You
about
can
that.
fill
Yeah, I
you
could have
can
picked
fill
it
your
up.
roaches in there, and then when you done, bust them down.
I'm throwing my roaches in the garbage, or I'm throwing the bitches on the side of the road.
You'll be having
Why?
struggle joints.
Why don't you get a bong?
Well, I don't have a bong, and
Or a bowl.
I don't.
Would
I don't
you
do
get
any
a
of that
bong?
stuff because I have a CDL license. If I get caught with any of this stuff,
Paraphernalia.
yeah,
They don't randomly test you.
they do by the state.
So, what you doing?
I'm
Hanging out.
hanging out with the gas station guys.
Hanging out at the gas
You
station.
not scared?
Scared of what?
It's a good.
I know what you're
What?
talking about.
Station, what do you mean?
Huh?
What you talking
We're
about?
just chilling at the gas station.
Yeah, we're just getting some gas.
I mean,
Filling
I
up
guess.
our tank.
Or
I just did that. It only cost me $50-something today. Yay,
Oh
boy.
my
That
gosh.
was BJ's.
What are you driving? $50.
I go to BJ's too. How are you
I
paying
can
so
guarantee
much?
you.
You need to go to
Like,
cash
really,
I was
flow.
paying like $75 the other day.
What the fuck?
Mm,
What
mm.
did
I
you
have
gas?
a 20-gallon tank.
What do you put, 93?
That's what I'm saying. You put
No,
that.
I put regular.
87?
No,
Regular.
no. You going to the
Yeah,
wrong gas
tank.
station.
It's a big
What are
tank.
you talking about?
You going to the wrong
20
gas
gallons?
station.
I have a 20-gallon tank.
That's a lot.
It
So you
might-
probably don't have to fill up often.
No, I still feel like maybe like every week and a half. 2
That's good.
Oh, every
That's
2 weeks?
great.
What the
I go
fuck
to the
does-
gas station
I'd
once
say
a week,
week and a
sometimes
half.
twice.
Nah,
There's
okay, you
weeks
probably
I
be
fill up
driving.
twice.
And over here, it's kind of far. I ain't gonna lie. So yeah,
How do you drive?
depends
You
on how
got a
far
heavy
you
foot.
live.
No, I drive slow. I don't like the police.
That's facts. No
Facts.
shit.
I'll be driving the speed limit, maybe like 5 over, because it's like, I
Yeah.
ticket not gonna be that big, but
You
I
can
don't
do
think it's
5.
worth it. Like, what the fastest you gonna get there is 2 minutes earlier to spend like
Honestly,
maybe like
you
100
know-
or something on the
And
ticket.
Nah,
then
you
it's on
see,
the
well,
side
you
of the
see,
road.
right?
you see,
It's funny.
It's
It's
not
if you
worth
talking
it in my
about
head.
time,
It's
if
not
you
worth
talking
it.
about time,
It depends.
yeah,
It's
but
not
no,
worth
for
it.
short
You
distance
speeding,
or
you
long
only
distance?
gonna get there like a few minutes early.
there's
Bro, you
two
ever
things
see
about
somebody
it. You have to
speeding?
know how to drive
Yes.
and speed.
Don't
No,
sit behind
bruh,
old
you've
people.
seen
Don't stop at
people
red lights.
speeding and they stop at the same red light.
Mhm.
Yeah, because they don't know how to drive.
Well, guess what? Yeah, facts. Me,
The
I'm
amount
gonna
of
be
cutting
like,
up you gotta do. It's just not worth it.
no. I'm not doing no cutting up. But best believe I'm not lacking though. When the light turn green, I'm gonna beat your stupid ass. If I count to 3, 1, 2, you getting beat, bitch. You get what I'm saying?
Nah, I
Go.
hate the people when it's
I got
green
shit
and
to
they
do.
be like, beep, and I'm like, bro, let's turn green. Like, how about my dad? Anyway.
Nah, I ain't
So
gonna
I be
lie.
honking back.
That
I'm
is
not
not.
saying-
I sit there.
back.
I sit there.
I promise you.
And I hold the
rev my car
horn too.
back.
Who are you talking
Yeah, what?
to?
These niggas don't be in a fucking car with these niggas. You know.
I'm
These
going
niggas
even
don't-
slower. I'm going even slower.
And you know what's funny? You probably do the same thing too, cause you hang out with these niggas. So this is for you
And
too.
I learned how to shift because of these niggas. I be sliding because of these niggas.
I remember when this nigga had the
Boy,
fucking
I was
cigarette.
gonna get left
Yo,
behind. I'm not gonna be like years behind y'all. Y'all pull up to the parking lot waiting on me. Fuck that.
That's me.
I'm getting on the
No,
top.
I'm sliding with y'all. I'm gonna try to.
You gotta keep up, man.
Yeah.
You know what I
Go,
mean?
go,
Sir,
go.
listen, when we go, whew,
Yo,
Niggas be sliding, man.
you be driving, you be going like
Cruising.
75,
And
you be
then-
like, you just see a nigga, shoot.
you just see one
Like,
nigga
what
go.
the fuck,
As soon as
man?
one
Hold on.
person go, it's over. Everybody.
What? Everybody, we just going.
Lined up.
we just
Slide.
going.
You know what I'm afraid of?
I never
And we
forget that.
all,
We just going.
all catching up with each other.
Yo,
There's
Pree
a
this.
scene in Fast and Furious where
Bro.
they all like shifting lanes, all the civics. I'll never forget that they did that shit on the highway. I was like, oh my god, it's a scene. Nobody knew what the fuck I was talking about. until we got here.
There's
What
car
was it,
niggas who do that
Rosa?
shit.
Moroso.
Yeah.
Especially niggas in the Charger, the Hellcat, groups and shit. They be doing dumb shit, but they be sliding like bumper to bumper, like
Yeah.
I can't deal with them niggas, bro.
Yeah,
Niggas
I can't
that
drive like that.
car niggas.
One time I had to
Hellcat
follow.
niggas, I can't.
high horsepower.
They different.
Yeah, one time I had to
I don't like
follow a bunch of cars that was all
I don't like
driving horsepower.
horsepower.
I like at first I was catching up, but I was like they was driving bad. Like they was literally like literally
Yeah.
not even with each other, but just random cars. I'm like, nah, y'all tripping.
Alright.
But I still made it. I made it before some of them. Like I was still in the mix because I went on the express.
She wasn't
Yeah.
giving up, nigga.
Hell no.
120 day, this is where we at.
I
What
made,
it
I,
is.
We
was,
was
I
going
made it
to-
in front of certain people. Like
we was
I was
going
not the last
to,
person.
The racetrack place, what's that called? 27? 27? Fucking, and we was beating it up there.
Yeah.
Nigga, I think it was Kmart and me. I go to the two car and the far left lane. There's no more lanes now. There's a car in the left lane. We're in the middle lane right here, nigga. We're going in between the cars. How does that work? We're going in between the cars.
Muscle L, bitch. I mean,
Yo,
I'm
we're-
gonna
isn't it-
shoot this.
My name, I speed so fast. I said, well, I look a gap. Yo, man, take that.
Yo.
Quick.
I'll never forget when this nigga fucking took out his fucking steering wheel, bro.
Bro,
We on the highway driving, bro.
I took that picture.
And
I just
this
gotta
man
say it.
took his steering wheel off. Started
Rest in
driving the
peace,
car
my
like
dog.
this. R.I.P. Cliff, for real. Putting his fucking steering wheel out and pressed gas.
Huh?
When I say this,
95.
and
We're going at least 100
and
Civics.
shifted.
You know
With
we're
no
in,
steering
you know
wheel.
we're in Civic, so we're going at least 100.
No steering shifted.
You
Going
take the steering wheel off though, like you don't like. I don't know.
I didn't know you could do that.
Yo,
Yeah.
Yes,
So
they got a steering wheel.
you gotta buy it.
They got a steering wheel that's like a quick release. You just
Yeah.
push a little clip and then lift the steering wheel off.
Race cars.
Fashion.
You could
and,
change the
yeah,
steering wheel
race cars.
everything. Yeah, you could change the steering wheel. You could
A lot
change
of
up your
people-
vibe.
You know,
on the car.
style. Yeah. shit like
You got a purple
Really,
steering
I'm
wheel today.
truly-
Tomorrow you got a
really
blue one.
real
Alright.
reason why niggas put that in Civics. So they don't get their car stolen.
that. Yeah, facts.
Niggas just take their
Nah,
steering
that's
wheel
a real
out,
reason too.
have a kill switch,
Even race
take
cars,
the
nigga,
battery
they
out,
take
Right.
this shit
all
off.
that.
Because
But
sometimes
look,
the lock don't even work.
They be
yet.
stealing Civics.
We're
bro.
coming to the first, the end of the first episode. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all tune in to the gas station. We got about 30 seconds, 45 seconds left.
Yeah,
Yeah, we're gonna run next episode.
y'all tune in. Y'all tune in.
So
Tap the fuck in
if y'all
with
want to
this shit.
hear, any
DJ
conversation, just drop
underscore
a voice message.
Yo, DJ
What do you mean,
underscore DANG3R. TikTok
Oh,
and
it's like
Instagram.
Jay.
You heard?
This nigga made one TikTok. Y'all don't follow this nigga. Don't.
Out of here. I make
What?
one
This nigga
TikTok.
made one
He posts
TikTok.
one every other month.
Y'all gonna be
It's not really
disappointed.
bad. It's like one
Yo,
one video.
nah.
He posted on.
And we're
He
out.
posted on his. Yeah.
But TL pictures don't count on it.
Back.
Yeah, you can't go on no pictures.
Pictures?
No pictures.
This guy takes
Wow,
pictures,
pictures.
but he doesn't post them.
Yeah, I'll take your picture. No, I'll take your picture.
What?
But I was
No, take
photographer.
I didn't take your.
Nah.
The danger part that you know.
That boy did.
Yeah.
The danger part.
Every Friday and Sunday, him just.
Day at church, just one.
Yo,
Praise the Lord.
what church?
Which church?
Bible study. You can say that.
Which church that?
I studied.
Well, on. You know what I say?
Oh, what up?
No, I can't let her go on. Hey, girl. Turn off that motherfucker.
The power washer?
Yeah.
At this time?
Gotta get this
Yep,
money.
They be here.
Gotta get this money. She on third
What
shift
is
right
power
now.
wash?
12 o'clock in the middle of the goddamn night when nobody. She ain't washing no goddamn cars, you heard?
She washing inside that
She
bitch.
washing that goddamn bread, dude.
But yeah, man, I just tune that. Well, I'm gonna put the music over this, but anyways, just tune that out. What was we talking about? Forgot.
You talking about what's the most important essential?
What's your favorite
Today.
side in a
Side?
dish? Yeah.
In the dish.
Favorite side?
Your favorite
dish?
side.
What kind of dish?
I'm
though?
black.
Any kind.
Breakfast?
Black
Nah,
on my
all
side.
right.
We can
Hold
say
on.
dinner.
Let's start with breakfast. Let's start with breakfast.
I get
Breakfast?
I can.
Yeah, that's a must.
Breakfast.
That's a must. Hash browns on the list for sure.
Yeah.
Hash browns.
Yeah.
Eggs. Is eggs fine?
No,
It could be.
Eggs are made.
It could be. Let's say
Hell
if there's
no.
pancakes or eggs or like French toast. Eggs would be a side.
I guess.
So no French toast.
Nah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
French toast would be.
When
the
you
side,
go
though,
at
right?
IHOP,
No.
No,
when
that'd
you go
be
at
the main.
IHOP,
I mean, man.
That's the biggest thing on the plate.
French toast? Nah,
Yeah.
the pancakes.
Yeah, but you couldn't have both. I said either
Oh,
or.
okay. Oh, you said either.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you have pancakes, then yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I guess eggs. Bacon.
Yeah, bacon is fire. But I love potatoes, so I would say hash browns.
Turkey bacon.
Yeah, turkey for sure.
just like I said about the turkey.
What?
Them people that know about them mukbangs.
All right. So what about lunch?
Fries?
Fries.
Fuck that, bitch. Salad, nigga. What it is,
Salad.
boy. Put it up.
What?
Nigga.
I mean,
Like,
it
or
be
soup.
sometimes.
Put it up on the board.
Soup would be fire.
Soup, yeah, but depends.
Soup is a side.
But like a Friday night,
But nah, yeah, corn is good too. That's dinner. But
I'm
nah.
not a fan of corn by itself. I
that.
like corn.
What? I
Corn
like
is lame.
I'll eat it on the
You
cob.
can't do nothing to corn, bro.
Yeah,
What you gonna do? Season corn?
Yeah.
brother?
You
If
feel
I
like
am
you
so-
and the boy
if
talking
I
about
am
the
sweet
boys
corn,
singing
no
on TikTok,
seafood,
you love
man.
corn.
even them sweet
I
corn.
love corn.
Sweet corn. Nah, I like
What about the Mexican?
If I am
sweet
sweet
corn.
if I am almond porridge,
I love
a
that.
different story, that, bro.
if I
And
am
you are
if I am bully beef,
No one in that blood clot almond spars, them put too much fucking corn.
You're
No,
right.
that's
Yeah, the
perfect.
people
You're
they
right.
want a
That's
foot
perfect.
of them bumbo clot.
Right.
You're
You're right.
Fuck clot.
Yeah.
It tastes good. It tastes good with a lot. What do you mean? My mama put an extra.
Nah, see, your mom probably put the right amount. You think it's extra, but when
I
you go
love
add
the
up with it,
corn.
Maybe
bro, yeah, you can't even. No porridge in there, so
Yeah, you
better.
can't drink it.
Like, isn't it?
bro, I don't bother getting that shit.
Exactly, but that's why I stopped buying that shit.
One spoon equals 50 blood clots.
Facts.
That's terrible.
No,
You have to sit there and just,
I just,
Cause your pale feet and you know you only have this much blood clot cup of soup.
yo, you be thinking that shit be busted, but it's really not.
Bro, you be so mad, bro. The amount of corn you
That's
had
something
to
you
eat.
buy.
No, just make that shit at home.
I mean, yeah, but like, you know, when you,
Never just go buy some corn.
oh, Well, yeah. It's just on the road still is, yeah. You need to just buy some pirates.
What about dinner sides?
Dinner.
I would probably say mashed potatoes.
Dinner no, we need some salad.
Or mac and
Dinner.
cheese.
Banana Sunday now.
I'm not
Sunday
gonna lie,
dinner.
I'm
Yeah,
very
man, we need
picky
some salad. Let's
If
get
it's
some
butt,
tomatoes,
People
some
can't make it.
mac and
very
cheese.
picky
Mac
with
is
my mac and
separated
cheese.
from the
Yeah, you can go with mac and
Alright.
cheese.
Yeah,
Ew.
It's not enough cheese.
my mom mac and cheese.
Oh, like it's
top
like it's
tier.
not even like
Or not enough cream.
You
It
can
be
be
dry.
dry. It's not. Yeah, dry mac and cheese is not it.
Yeah,
I
it's
feel like
dead.
they just be putting the cheese
Dead.
and nothing else, and it just be like separating.
It depends. They got like
Oh,
5
I
different
know
mac
what
and
you
cheese
The
mean.
though.
only dry macaroni and cheese
They got-
I can say
Nah, like-
is that Haitian macaroni and cheese.
I ain't
Oh
gonna
yeah,
lie.
That shit
yeah,
bust.
that
I
get a
heard about
pass.
it.
That
I heard
definitely
about
get a
it.
I
pass.
had
It
that
is
shit.
gas.
I need it.
I had
What?
that shit
Yes.
like Kodak Black Day. That shit
What?
was
What's
bust.
that?
Shit hit
I said it's
Haitian
gas.
Oh, okay.
At the gas
But-
station, it's gas.
Okay, okay.
Oh, shout out to my
Yeah, man. Mm.
Shouts out
But
to
the
who?
Yankee them still they make some
The
good mac and
Zoes.
cheese.
Sapa say, you know what the
Yeah,
Fuck
you gotta
no.
know
They
the
be
right
coming
one.
for Jamaican saying we can't make mac and cheese.
Nah, I can't.
you fuck if you know. You get
You
blood
cannot-
clot macaroni and cheese from
Yeah.
any bum
Yeah,
buckler
no,
person
yeah.
live in
Get no-
Jamaica.
get no bread.
Female, male, liquor boy, big bum buckler picnic. Yo, that shit gonna be bust, guaranteed. That shit gonna be
Guaranteed.
smack.
Not every
They
time.
gonna burn
I
that
can't
shit just a
agree
little
with
bit too
that.
much,
Never
man.
had a corned beef and a mac and cheese.
Corned beef, and mac
I don't
and
know.
cheese.
Somebody used to make that whenever I went to
Corned beef and mac and cheese.
That's
Alright,
different.
how
Never
black
had
am
that.
I?
You sure I can't
Yo.
beef or ground
It
beef?
don't sound bad. It don't sound
It was good.
Yo, how black am I, right? This is my top 3 for my sides for dinner. Mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese, and baked beans.
baked
Baked
beans.
beans are good.
Yeah, Yankee brother. What kind
I
of
ain't
baked
gonna lie,
beans?
baked beans are
Bro, I've been living
It be
in
bust though, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah,
But
beef.
fucking
Years.
but nothing in my yard. You know, I'm a baked beef
Me look-
side, brother.
me
Some
make sure-
vegetables, maybe some mashed up, mashed
Yeah.
potato.
Broccoli
Alright.
good.
From Irish.
When you get
Yeah,
around
so-
black people, bro.
Well, I love
Some
sweet
yam or
potato.
I don't like
Mm.
it.
The white one, even the
Oh, the white
even the
one, yeah,
orange
the white
one
one's
too.
good.
I like both.
I don't like them.
I warmed up to the orange one.
It only tastes good with Chick-fil-A sauce. Try that. Try that.
Chick-fil-A sauce.
Yeah, like sweet potato pie.
Yes.
Nah.
See, what? That shit is gas. Pumpkin pie,
It's too-
gas.
Nah, pumpkin pie be
Gas.
too-
That's
be
the
too
best part
much.
about Thanksgiving,
It should be
dessert.
too much.
If you go to
Dessert.
like an American Thanksgiving, you don't get
That
like
should be too much,
cobbler,
man. Yeah, no.
banana
It's 'cause we
pudding.
be
They're gonna have a
vibing
whole.
anyway.
What?
Oh my god. I don't like
Yo.
banana shit like that.
Well, you know,
what is it?
They
Slap.
appetite different.
With the fucking
Fuck up anything.
in it. The cookie.
Yeah.
Nah,
They gotta put.
I had
the-
some,
yeah, they gotta put
what
that
they
in
call
there.
that shit? The greens. What them call that?
Collard greens.
Yeah. We have some of that.
Yeah.
Fuck that asparagus, bro.
I
Fuck
love
that.
asparagus.
I'll fuck with asparagus. I ain't
You know
gonna
they
lie.
grow one at a time. Like one asparagus is the whole plant. Like you just cut it out the ground and that's
Oh
it.
yeah.
That's wild.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
It's
I'm
just
not gonna-
one.
I'm not gonna
I mean,
hold
it
you.
makes sense.
Yo, to how the economy set
It
up
look like
right
it come
now,
out of like a bush or something.
Isn't it like a seed of like
Man.
asparagus?
you be surprised. It's
Yeah.
a big ass bush, I
Asparagus.
guarantee. And you just
It
just
just grow like
pick
a
it
little
out.
tree. Yeah.
Everything else
Yeah,
named
I never
lettuce.
knew that.
That's
A
all I
lot,
want.
a lot of shit like I see.
You know,
More,
iceberg
I
lettuce isn't real.
Yeah.
It's not
What?
real lettuce.
Iceberg. Oh yeah, no.
They say broccoli and a lot of shit. ain't
Yeah,
real.
broccoli is either corn.
Flour, corn.
They made it from like, no, not spinach. They made it from bean sprout, I think.
Take it
Oh
from
yeah,
my bush.
some of them they use.
I want
Yeah,
tree
they
them
do
for
add
sure.
bean sprout
Tree
DNA.
them,
They
make
mix
it
it with a
bush,
bunch of
right.
other shit for some of them.
I don't know. Genetically
Even like
modified.
bananas. We're not eating real bananas. The realest ones that are modern are the small
like-
ones.
Or watermelon.
Yeah.
Yeah, one.
Yeah, that's
And
it.
then watermelon
Seeds out
still
of
in
it.
I'm good black man and then watermelon.
But like, does any country really have the real thing?
I mean,
Some,
Yes.
yeah,
I mean,
definitely. There's
All
people that
They grew
don't
up on the
even.
root,
have
bro.
Yeah, there's
real
people that
thing.
don't live off
All
of
islands
society.
have
about
the
that
real thing.
island. That-
All
Yeah.
islands have the real thing. You go to fucking
From the
Brazil,
root,
Hell
bro.
yeah, there's people that
Africa,
go to
yo.
religion.
My
Yeah,
grandfather
America got a lot of
United
industrial
States.
shit.
used to
Yeah, because
plant
that's
them
what they
thing there.
promote.
Yeah, man,
But there's
that
hella
shit and
people
everything.
here in the U.S. still that
Everything
plant their own
monkey
shit.
used to
But you
plant,
better off
yeah,
getting
man, that
seeds
shit
from
and banana
overseas.
and all them things, bro.
Strawberries, they were this tiny.
Yeah, I mean, apple tree and them thing, they plant
Oh,
up
like we
everything.
just kept going tiny.
Oh.
I'm like,
Key
it's
and
supposed to
anything
be
like
like that.
That's
And we
crazy.
just be eating like popped up like.
Where'd you get the
strawberries.
seeds from?
Just
I'm telling you, brother.
probably like Home Depot. Probably like Home Depot.
Maybe they were berries instead of strawberries. Like raspberries?
Like they look like regular like strawberries, but it's really tiny. But they say they like make everything bigger for us. Like those chicken wings crazy sometimes.
What?
They really supposed to be tiny.
Yeah.
They be really
Vic,
like
Vic, no, cause I sent you shit right on the snap.
I've seen all them shit.
Some wings, boy.
Bro, I work in the reefer division
You
with
see
the
one
truck
of
and
them
shit,
wings,
right?
boy?
So I get to
You
see
seen
like
that
all
wing
the
that come
produce
in
and
like
shit
this,
come
Victor?
in. Talking about live chicken,
like this.
lick a bumba clap bird. If I kill him on the bill, on land, on the bill, my bills, they say, yo, you got 20 pounds of young chicken on it. Me see the blood got like a baby chicken and like a fucking cage them. Then man, one Chinese man, me send you the bumbo clap video. Chinese man go, they dusty like 3 o'clock in the fucking morning, rinse off with a fucking garden was a spray off a fucking chicken them, I click, 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 click. Then the man them gonna go take off a bungee cable, cause bungee cable hold up all that cage them, right? Man, them start taking blood clot. You just fling your blood clot, burn them, and I want to liquor. Sitting them get washed off, them go on liquor. Just like in a movie, you see them going on liquor. What they call it, survey tray or whatever the fuck they call that shit. You see me, conveyor belt. So, bro, that shit's just crazy, though, bro. Like I can't look at it the same.
Where's your cup?
I don't have a cup. I don't need a drink. Actually, give me a shot of that.
You taking a shot?
Casamigos.
Taking a shot?
I say, am I not Casamigos?
That shit too catchy. Fuck around and seen that shit for 3 weeks straight.
Yo.
That boy
that's a
know what he
shot?
was doing.
It is a shot. It's not even the first line yet.
That's a shot.
That is a shot, but
Let's be real.
damn.
Come on.
how much have you wanted to go to?
That's what I'm saying. Like, what's up with y'all?
I think it's because it's not a Friday.
No, I was saying that's a lot. I said you before this.
With me? Nah. I probably Casamigos. Yep. I gotta get my tolerance up for next week.
What's going on next week?
What you mean? We shooting a video.
Who's shooting the video?
Sir Snap a lot.
Oh boy.
Casamigos video.
It's going up.
Man, I got drunk coffee.
Everybody gonna be drunk off Casamigos.
What?
You get a bottle. You get a bottle. You get a bottle.
Mm.
Think of the video. Y'all boys gonna have to do 3 day video.
So,
shoot.
let's talk about July 4th. What did you do for July 4th, Brittany?
I don't know. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I have no idea. I have to think back. I'm thinking about it.
Okay. Shane, what did you do for July 4th?
I was with y'all. What you mean?
You was with me. What you mean? What you mean we was all together? I don't recall.
Oh, you don't recall?
What happened?
Story time. DJ Danger.
DJ Danger.
So,
The crowd goes wild.
Sir Snap a lot.
Brittany's
Chosen View was keeping a pool party July 4th. So, everybody followed us.
Right.
We're gonna get fried, get drunk, have a good time on July 4th. Up in I forgot to mention there was a penthouse. Pool we was at.
We done.
I remember. I was there.
Went to the rooftop afterwards.
Oh, so
we
it was
got
all
kicked out the
together?
pool. So yeah, we were all together.
Yeah, I thought
Shay Baby, TAJH, and Y Pree. Yeah.
Yo, at TAJH.
so. Yo.
Let's say it like that. Man, you that
No, I'm not
T.
gonna say it like that. I said it how I said it. So, and DJ Danger was there too. And anyways, everybody drunk, having a good time, playing music, getting fried, dancing, singing. We do. Now, towards the end of the night is when shit went crazy.
Shit went crazy.
Shit went
Left.
Why you gave me the bottle?
So you can take one shot.
Yeah. Shit funny, bro. So, I don't remember what happened. Actually, no, I went to go get my cousin downstairs, and he had a bottle of Hennessy. Now, we have a friend. We're not calling any of them in that story, just for the day I we have time. So, we have a friend, he was keeping the party with us. And This thing was drunk from night. Everybody knows what I'm talking about, right? Okay.
You gonna say that for a body? Body joke.
Yeah, me and say, you know, drink from money.
Joke from money.
Well, he's one of them. He's still having a good time.
You're having a great time. You're not having a good time.
I'm kind of boisterous. Is it me like I'm kind of energy high? So,
Testosterone, man. I don't know energy. Testosterone high.
that's a big word. I'm gonna feel like so energy, we are call it. And the energy high, is it me? But I don't know about that word. Anyway,
We're kind of loop,
yeah, I don't know what I already said.
Yes.
They call it. Yeah, the dog drunk. Go get my cousin with him downstairs. And my cousin have a bottle of Hennessy. And the dog say he want a shot. He say him drunk already. But if you want a shot, you see me? Because was like, alright, want to take a shot. Just a boom. Me see it in them one, yeah, you know. One look different when you come back off my buckle, dog. I swear.
Who that?
Same person.
No, we're not talking
Oh.
We're not talking music. But yeah, the dog look different when you come off my buckle, dog. It was what?
The boy we drunk from morning.
Yeah. See me or something. So I'm like, okay. We're going up the elevator now, we're reaching this man, go outside and just loud.
Hey, y'all niggas gotta shut the fuck up and be quiet.
He's just loud for no reason, all type of shit. And I'm like, okay, that nigga jumped off. I let us where we was going, and we went to sit down and we continued vibing.
Right.
You feel me? Next thing you know, everybody's sitting in one corner. Pretty much everybody left. Everybody's sitting in one corner.
One table.
Together. Like it's like one table, a couple people also like right next to it, the next table, a couple people behind it. But everybody's in one general area. Honestly, I don't remember what happened, but man started snapping on a female. Right, that's all around about. And then you don't go back and forth with a female you don't know. Then that shit. So, man's is obviously drunk. Everybody knows that. But you know, once you start with most females, it's gonna continue. So she wasn't letting up.
They
He
don't
wasn't
know how to
letting up.
stop.
You feel me? She wasn't letting up. He wasn't letting up. And you know, stuff like he did stuff were being said, calling her out her name, and that's where shit went left. I'm telling the story calm, but none of this shit is calm at all. It was going crazy at this point.
What?
Yeah, I don't think you should have been telling this
That
Very
shit was
calm.
hectic.
I think we should
I'm
have
not
ordered
going
to
to full
hire like a
detail
white
because-
person to
A
tell the
white
story.
person.
No cap, because this guy here, he's not white, and
Why does a white guy have to tell the story?
it's just how things have been.
Man, all right, let me take over. Let me see if I can,
What is
start
your
shaking
point?
a
What
little
is your
bit,
point
let
of
me see,
view? What is your point?
All
of
right,
view?
so at this point, everybody looking because they're like, okay, this girl yelling, she being loud, and he matching her energy.
Right.
None of them stopping. So we're like, what the fuck? Like, y'all gonna chill? Like it's late as fuck, and y'all loud as hell. We don't live. None of us live here except for very few. Most of us don't live there.
We really
Half
wasn't
of us
supposed to
didn't
be
even
there.
pay parking.
Right,
Like
exactly.
we really
It was
not supposed
time
to
go, but the nigga was at the door.
We really had security looking
At
through
the
a
door.
through a see-through
Man.
through a
At the
see-through
door.
window.
They was waiting for us
With
to
camera
leave, but we
surveillance
was not
system
leaving.
telling us to get the fuck up out of there.
Hey, we was at
big
the table
ass
just
split,
Man, so
drinking.
eventually,
Ooh, that nigga?
eventually the girl calmed down, but the main character, he kept going. He kept things going. It was getting hectic. Then his friend was like, "Yo, like tighten up, like
Yeah,
you
man.
doing too much.
Yeah,
Chill out,
We
like
came here to
right.
have a great time.
Right.
Chill
So
out.
he getting mad. He a little up there too, but he not like him. He not that drunk. He not that fucked up. He more sober type shit. So he's aware, but he was still hot for whatever reason. He was hot.
He was fucking his vibe.
Right. So then, so main character now, he start, getting riled up because he looking like, you my dog, you supposed to be on my side type shit. But I guess he didn't see where he was wrong and, a lot of back and forth. So then, his dog now, like, I don't even want to talk. Like, what's good? Like,
Like, ready to phase that
I'll
shit.
body you, fuck nigga. Like,
Verbatim.
yo.
We're quoting this.
Yo,
from
like,
4th of July, yeah.
He was like, fuck that talking shit. Like,
I'll
what's
body
good? Because
you.
now you sizing me.
Embarrassing.
And then he was talking about a
Embarrassing.
wristband. That you needed a wristband.
Yeah.
You need a wristband to
Yeah,
go
yeah.
down to ground
Yeah,
zero.
because at that hotel, well, it's not even a hotel. It's a building, like a residency, but they do have Airbnbs and like people actually live there. But to access that building, you need a wristband. You cannot do
Facts.
nothing
You need
without
a
a wristband.
If you don't have a wristband, you
The
can't
whole
get
day,
in.
the whole day
Back
while
up,
we
back up,
there,
back up.
You barely get downstairs.
Yeah.
He was on a 25th floor.
anything
I
you have to
know.
do, even if you get in the elevator, it won't move. It'll go to like where?
The ground zero.
Yeah, ground zero.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
No.
yeah, literally, it'll go to the last
That's
floor,
the only
and
place you
after
can
that,
go.
it won't take you back up. That's it.
That's it.
So
You gotta have
yeah,
a wristband.
yeah, you gotta have a wristband. So then he arguing with cuz he was like, you don't need a wristband to go to ground zero.
What, nigga?
I'll body you, butt nigga. Yeah, so then shit started getting hectic.
Yeah, the boy was
Then-
crazy.
You know, he picked up a chair. The whole papa sound like
We
like
gotta describe it. That wasn't a
Ain't
normal
gonna lie.
chair.
That was like a.
Brittany, you know, like,
That was like a motherfucking.
it's like a decorative chair, like a modernized chair, and it looks like more like a.
Okay,
Like
you know what it is? Let me
like
tell you.
a
Let me
bowl.
tell you. You know when you go
It
to
looks
the
more
park.
like a bowl.
You know when you go to the
Yeah.
park. Shut up. You know when you go to the park, and you see the little chairs in the park that you spin, like you sit in and you spin and you get
Yeah.
dizzy. That's how
Okay.
it looks.
Imagine
But
that
like it's
phone
an
is
actual
bottom.
chair though.
Yeah.
But that's how.
Like
But that's how
Right.
it looks.
Okay.
It's
Even
no
when
regular
you pick
chair.
that shit up, it smacked him with it.
It's the chair.
I swear to
He
God.
didn't smack
Yo,
me.
yo, On a big man level. On a big man level.
He
Let's
missed.
stop.
He
Let's
missed.
stop.
He
Let's stop
missed.
for a second. Because these niggas be forgetting about what really happened.
how the other nigga took off.
There's a little bit more in. So
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
you
other
forgot.
nigga.
Look,
I was
so
trying to
look.
mention him.
so look.
Oh my God.
So look.
Yeah,
The
shit
other
was crazy.
nigga.
So look, he picked the chair up now, right? Matter of fact, he walked off. He was mad. He called her hot. Man, what the fuck, man? You got me in this situation and shit.
Bruh,
3, 2, 1, Cub, pick the chair up.
Came back.
came back for him.
He had the chair up, walking in slow fucking
Slow
motion.
motion.
I'm talking about he looking around at every fucking
Everybody,
body
like,
in
who's
the
gonna stop
fucking
me right
place. Like, nigga, if I had a fucking
So
AR or a
animated.
fucking 7.62, any fucking, if I had a 22, bro, I'd light this whole shit up right now.
That's
If
how
I
he
had a
was.
bomb, I'll push the bitch and detonate it. Everybody fucking
That
go.
nigga dropped.
You know what I'm saying? Real nigga shit though, but it took him like a
Wait,
good
that was
10.
gunshot?
Took him like a good 10 seconds.
Nah, but G shit though.
Yo, no
my
lie.
point of view, when I seen the, I ain't see when they picked up the chair, right? Because I was in like somewhat in the commotion.
I didn't want to go
'Cause,
into
like-
this much detail. That's why I didn't really. But
Niggas was
Go ahead.
frost. You heard? Niggas been drinking,
'Cause
doing all
Before
type
he
of shit.
picked, I don't know if it was he picked up the chair before or after the nigga took off. But all I know, the nigga took off.
I'm trying
And
I think it was.
I'm
Yes.
like, yo,
He picked his chair up
I'm
after
trying
he
to, you
took
know what I'm
off.
saying? I'm trying to break this shit up.
So really,
And then I turn around, I see a nigga with a chair.
Okay.
it's like three niggas holding. It's like three
You know what I'm
niggas.
saying, Brittany?
It's
Like,
like,
imagine you right here, you turn that way, right? You trying to break up whatever the fuck going on right here, right? And all of a sudden you just turn around and I'm like this with a chair.
I'd be scared, shit.
that
You like,
shit
I'm
right
gonna
there
go out
was
like
litty
this.
though. I ain't gonna hold you, but at the same time too, I'm just glad how like everybody was able to walk out of there alive. You know what I mean? 'Cause
What?
At,
you know what's
at
funny?
certain
I
points
was
and
at
moments,
points- niggas like, what?
everybody
I was the first
clutching,
one to
like,
get up. Y'all got me fucked
Yeah,
up. I will
yeah.
not be
People
no
left.
innocent
People
bystander
left.
to nothing.
People left.
We like 5
What?
minutes
People left. The only reason
What?
why a couple of us stayed back was because freaking
Yeah, I'm like,
These two
fuck
niggas.
that.
And when I tell you, it was like a nice ass building. It was right near.
But we was vibing, man.
It was too nice to be acting like that. We look like ungrateful niggers.
this how you know it's one of them.
It was literally right by the wall.
Behind you.
The work is nice.
Yeah.
The
Behind the
little
wharf, that
building
big
with
ass,
the little like
that big
lady
ass
on
building
it.
behind the wharf.
That's it. Oh wow.
I'm about to
Yeah,
show
it
you.
was up there in
That
the
shit was
penthouse.
nice.
Yeah.
All I see is these big ass cars coming out of there.
It was
Yeah.
crazy.
Shit was crazy,
And then
man.
after all the fuckery happened, me and White Pree ended up downstairs and had to walk up like 3 stories, 3 flights.
Yo,
That's not that bad.
listen.
You remember Jim? We got stuck downstairs.
Oh, you did
Listen.
get stuck downstairs. Yeah, we was walking upstairs.
Listen,
Go to the fucking.
y'all
parking
niggas
lot.
think that was something, right? Y'all 3 flights that walked up, right? You know what happened with me? You know what happened with me?
Happened, nickel.
Remember, I was telling you, people was clutching, right? Because, man, I was one of the last people that stayed. You know what I'm saying? I was one of the last people that were there. You know what I'm saying? Before niggas walked out and went in the elevator and went to their whips and shit.
Yeah, how, nigga?
Fuck 'em out of there.
You left with us.
No.
Huh?
You know where I was at? I was at the corner piece
Nigga,
clutching.
you came and
About
picked us
the,
up.
about the,
Oh.
What the fuck? No. it
no.
was fine.
Hear me, I said. You see what I said?
Didn't he come and pick us up?
No.
No,
Nah.
it's not. It was
You know,
Miles,
It was Miles.
and then Miles
You
brought us to Harriet.
You right.
And then as we driving past, Snap drives in.
You right.
fam,
Yeah.
you know what I did?
But
I
yeah,
think
I was walking
Vic
a mile,
knows
but I ain't gonna lie.
Fam,
This shit ran off pretty quick. You know what I'm saying?
Episode 2 done.
that's
Yeah,
it.
got another 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying?
I can't hang.
We here at the
I cannot. Never been person.
What time are we going to sleep?
gas station.
I don't be going to sleep early. It's just I literally can't be outside tired. I don't be miserable. I'm miserable. But you know,
What the fuck am I doing here?
yeah.
I want to be in my bed, comfortable as fuck, watching TV that I know fucking damn well that shit watching me.
Oh,
Yeah,
that.
Nah, your phone is always listening. I know that part.
Everything listening here, anything that's Apple, anything that's motherfucking,
Man,
No,
anything.
like think about it. As a Siri
Talk
always
about it.
responds every time we say, "Hey, Siri."
Are we ready for an AI world?
But y'all heard of the line?
What line?
Look it up. Play it. So that I look it up and play it.
The line. It's on YouTube. It's called The Line.
Is it a movie?
No. It's a civilization.
Oh, wow. I draw the line.
It's literally like the line,
What? Which one?
and it's a mirror.
I'm not what I'm.
This looks
Oh,
like
you talking about the
Divergent.
city?
Yeah, Saudi Arabia.
Oh,
This
yeah.
looks like Divergent.
What's that?
You ain't see it?
None of y'all watch
Okay,
that
so like
movie?
it's this long ass thing.
Yeah, it's a.
And
So
then it's
basically,
also a mirror,
they're
so you
building,
can't see it, or you
in a
can't see it.
sense, apartment buildings face to face like this. You know what I'm saying? And it's a long ass.
Thing,
How
yeah.
that
It's
should
a
go?
strip.
I don't
Yeah,
know.
that shit's long as
I know what you're
fuck.
talking about. It's not in America.
Nah, it's
No.
It's in like where?
Saudi Arabia.
Yeah. He's
But
trying
some
to
people
do
think
it.
it's, like,
I mean,
creepy.
to be honest with you, what
Yeah.
about it though?
Nah, that shit look weird. I wouldn't do that shit.
I mean,
either.
I don't know.
like
Maybe I see what it was about,
Nah,
but I
fuck
feel
that
like
shit.
some
I'm not
people
doing
aren't
it.
really able to go,
Man,
and I
fuck
feel like
up.
once
I'm
you
not,
Honestly,
I'm
look,
not
get
being
there,
close.
it's-
That's like,
the only
nigga,
way.
that's like, I
We were
live
just
over
talking
here,
about
nigga,
this.
and you live right
Was
there.
it you or was
Nah,
it
They
them?
say
straight.
go close.
We was just talking about it.
Nah,
It was you.
but like
Where your neighbor
everything
really-
is in there,
Are you
so you don't have to go
able to leave?
anywhere.
'Cause it sounds like
That's the point.
you're not able to leave. It sounds
There's
like
a
it's
movie
forever
coming
thing.
In a
out
sense-
that's like this.
I think
With
you're
Harry
not, because
Styles in it.
everything, everything
Yeah.
is in there. So like,
We saw the
nigga,
movie.
That's
whatever
what they saying.
Yeah,
They saying
whatever
you don't
you need.
nothing though.
exactly, whatever
They
you need,
saying you don't need
it's
to go
in
to
the
the
line.
gym. You don't need to go to
It's
freaking
in the
watch a
line.
movie.
It's in the line, so you don't need to go anywhere.
Alright, so
Technically, like
Pree this.
outside the line, you don't need to go.
So Pree this, right?
Everything you need is in the
So
line.
Pree this, right? This
Bitch,
is
okay. Oh, they got a wherever you want to go down
Strip
there.
club. Yo, so this is what I pre, right?
A
He
little
was just
section.
saying, like, I think it was your people's or whatever got like 50. He got one land or whatever. He done put 50 on that bit. You feel me? He got 50 doors on that bit. He collected 50 incomes from 50 individual people, right? That man right there now about to collect X amount of
I think it
Well,
for
was
in
X
charge
amount
of
of
that
people.
shit.
For X amount of people, and then on top of that, now he's also creating
Owning
businesses
everything.
for
That-
them
that's about to
to
say, that's
work
the whole
in. They can
business.
work in there, and then even then, he gonna make the rent so cheap because, bro, you have over a billion. You have over 1 million units
especially
in this bitch. You
if
can make
you
it
work in
$1.
there. Like, let's
What?
say you
That's
live
basic.
there
And
and,
then
you
you
work
making
there.
this business, making a business still
Yeah,
float,
that's what I'm saying.
and you
If
live in a
live there
shitty
and you work
one
there.
bedroom, New
That's
York.
basically us with like democracy and presidency.
Nah, that's how I
It's
said.
not
I
the
ain't
same
doing
thing.
that shit.
That's
straight.
basically like the way
That-
how U.S. set up
I wouldn't do that.
fucking.
Yeah, exactly. It's the
the
same
way how they
thing.
got
That's
this
why
shit
it's
set
like a, it's like a commerce. U.S.
In a way, but not
Look up
really.
what the
You
U.S.
kinda-
is really like. What the U.S. purpose really is. Do your research. You'll see. It's
Control.
just one big system,
Trust me.
but it's for a reason. It's to make money. Why do you think it's the strongest economy?
This is
Who's saying this?
the root of
You know,
Control.
they all come to America to do what? The American dream.
Yes.
Why
If
do
you
you all
really
come
want to
here?
sit here and cheat, lie, and scam, this is the perfect place.
Where
to
else
come.
would you go? If you
Hell
can't
no,
go
don't
to,
listen
if
to
you
these
can't go to
people.
the United
Don't
States,
listen to these people. You
where the
go
hell
cheat,
could
scam,
you
do all that
go?
shit out of your country. Just still do it against
you
America.
Really
You
come
feel
here and
me?
be ruthless.
Stay where you at. You can do what you gotta do at the same
But you
place,
see, with that,
same time.
you can do that, but you don't get as much value if you was here.
No, the smartest thing to do when you come here, make your own
Run a
business.
bag. Why else do people come here?
That's
Like,
what I'm
it's
saying. Like,
smart to make your own business.
That's
It
the
is
only thing.
easier. It is
when
easier
you're
to
here,
see the flow
there's
of money.
a lot of
It is easy to
opportunities.
see the
That's
flow of money.
one thing I
But
would say.
it's also very
Like,
easy to get caught the
but
fuck up because I know a lot of
it
people
is.
come here to come do the same shit. Oh yeah, we gonna save a bag. We gonna do this. It's very few of them niggas who actually really did it. Most of the time too, they all come
What
here.
you got?
You're supposed to make what $10, $15 an hour. Your mortgage, your car payment. You gotta get a car to go to go to work. You gonna take the city bus. You know what I'm saying? You got your car insurance. You got motherfucking.
But then some
phone
of them
bill.
fall into the American dream.
There's no such
That's why you
fucking
stay in
thing,
the
my
system.
nigga.
You
Ain't
be
no
working your
such
whole
fucking
life.
Exactly,
thing.
that's what I'm saying.
They
Some
say
of
it
them
used
fall
to
into
be
the
American dream. They said it used to be for real because a lot of shit used to be free up and it never used to be the way how it is now. But they realizing like, yo,
yeah,
a lot
like,
of people
really-
coming over. We can make a lot of money off these people off the taxes alone. Bruh, I was just sending shit to Vic.
Balancing?
Uh,
Checks and books? Checks and balancing? Is that what it's called? Checkbooks. Checks and balances. It's I don't forget what the term is.
because they
Checks
make
and balances.
$2,000 off of each prisoner, cuz. 2,000, right? The smallest
bro.
jail would that means the smallest jail every year gonna see like 10 mil.
Why do you think they have so
The
many jails?
smallest jail, $10
Why do you
million
think they have
a
so
year.
many jails?
Why do you think there's so
I
many
don't
wrong
get it.
convictions?
Oh yeah. They like make them work. Never mind.
Work,
They
nigga,
make, like,
when you
what,
get
3
commissary,
cents
all that.
Taxes, we
when
pay.
you gotta make a call, you
paying-
gotta pay
bro,
all that.
We
Like,
paying for them to be in there off our taxes though. At the end of the day,
exactly,
you gotta look at it.
exactly. For them to
Yeah.
take care of them.
For them to hold their stupid ass, hold them accountable.
Yeah, you know,
make sure they live.
they
and
left their food and they might get water and look at
they
one
they
piece
told
of
them they
soap,
might
but exactly, you
reuse.
know?
You know how they
Yeah.
make the fucking soap? That shit disgusting, man. I'm in Nebraska. Zin, my delivery is right next to the shit. I zoom in on the fucking map because I can't believe I'm actually next to a fucking, like I'm literally like, it's early in the morning, dark, nobody on the road. I see the lights in the shit. I see the shit crazy. Long story short, bro, I zoom in on the map. I go on Google Map, zoom in on the shit. They got a little building that say on it like they reuse the soap. Like they basically reuse the soap. So basically like clean the soap. They take the old soap, put it in there, somehow remake it, shape it, like probably put 5 of them bitches together, push them down and stamp them and like make a new.
So where are they getting the old soap from? People return it?
What they can't
I
bring
guess
it back
when
to
you-
their dorm.
I guess when you throw that bitch away, I don't know.
No, like I don't know. They probably got the soap that's in the bathroom. You're supposed to throw it out when you leave, type shit. But they probably just put it in the garbage bag
Like the hotel.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Like when you throw it away,
because you don't want them to like try to kill themselves off of that shit or do so. You know what I mean? Like,
Off of soap?
you know how much shit go on in
We
prison.
talking about jail.
Niggas gonna make $90 anything.
Oh,
No
shit.
shit.
That's that hotel. I'm screaming.
Literally.
So what? They'll just eat soap until they die?
I mean,
Niggas
shit,
will do all
some
type of
people-
shit. Niggas
Bro,
will-
yeah, first of all, hold on. Since we talking about this, right? I saw it in the fucking video, right? Nigga talking about a Dookie cannon. Y'all heard of that?
a what?
A Dookie can?
I think I know what you're talking
A
about.
Dookie cannon.
Nah.
But what you
in
talking
jail.
about? What you talking about?
Some nigga on YouTube was talking about like in jail a nigga had a Dookie, like niggas was fighting and nigga pulled out a Dookie cannon. And he like, what the fuck is that?
heard about
Just
it,
like
though,
that.
bro.
And like he was telling them how you
Wow.
made it and shit like that.
But I'm
Like,
saying
what
it's
is
a
it?
real weapon though, right?
Yeah, like
Yeah. I know what you're talking. It's some big boy shit. And nigga, yo, you get caught.
But
with
what is it?
shit.
I don't know, some shit a nigga made. Like you make it out of metal and pieces of
And
like
toothpaste
like a
and,
all
and
type
shit.
of
Nah, it's
cardboard or some weird ass
like
shit.
it's like look.
Wait.
I think it's like
Does
a
it
Make them shits out
toothpaste
of
thing,
anything.
right? And they put shit in it and all kind of whatever. So when
Wait,
in
so
jail,
it literally
they
shoots out shit?
yes, the nigga. That's what the nigga was saying.
It shoots shit
and-
at
and-
the person.
Yes,
A
it,
Dookie.
yeah.
Why?
That's a, Matter of fact, let me go in.
No. Nobody want to see that, fam. You hold that.
It's not a.
We did not have to go this
We
route.
do not need to talk about shit
not
right
a-
now. Is the podcast live? Are we live right
Yes,
now?
we're live.
No, bro. We don't need
Wait,
to.
you
All
wanna
right,
start
y'all boys.
episode?
We
Please
had a
comment
good
no down
time.
below.
Talk to y'all later.
Somebody please comment save.
Oh no, it's a
This nigga trying to
Glock
make us watch
Dookie. My
this
bad.
What?
It's called a Glock Dookie. My bad.
What the
Glock
hell?
Dookie. Fucking hell.
I like the so they shoot shit.
That's their weapon.
Boy, you say Dookie Cannon sound way better than the Glock
What?
Dookie. Don't fuck up Glock name, my boy. Keep that shit on it, on its own. What split are we at right now? Split number 4, 5.
Oh, bro.
Yo, dog.
Oh, yeah.
Just free up.
Yo, bueno, no.
Oh my god.
Let's not.
What? Damn.
Gay.
Oh, I think it's this right here. I think it's right here.
Oh my.
The world is a scary place.
They be
This is
finding
made
the
the
shit
sense.
bottles.
Oh
Huh?
my god.
The world is a scary place.
This is terrible.
That's horrible. I've
Oh
never
my
heard some shit
God.
like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't like
Wow. I'm disgusted.
Yeah. That
that.
was,
That's terrible.
I never watched it. I just seen that little part when he just explained it, but
I should have took that shit off.
just listening that whole fucking interview.
I don't know why I didn't think of that.
What do you mean you don't? What? Who
No,
no,
it's-
around with a Glock, dude?
No, that's not what I'm talking about, girl. I said I was saying I should have took these headphones off. I'm like, I don't know why I didn't think of that. That shit was terrible. I don't want to hear that. What the fuck? That's wild.
Cut episode.
Anywho, how was y'all day? What did y'all do?
Is that fucking work?
Work. That's it.
School. Did they work? Did they school?
Yeah, that was fun.
It was straight at work.
Yeah, that's true.
I had to do a lot.
All
He's
love.
working hard.
All right, bye.
Later, boo.
Bye, Brittany.
Y'all be safe. It's late. Well, yeah, it's late.
Yeah.
Later. Later.
Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah. What'd you do today?
I got with JJ.
Okay. Mother Sunday. See? Feel that.
He's running all over the place.
Feel that. Feel that.
What'd you do, Taj? Driving trucks? Yeah.
Yeah. I'm driving trucks.
Driving big trucks.
Big trucks. Y'all getting that bread.
Favorite candy, go.
Favorite candy, Hershey's, Snickers.
Fuck, I don't know. Oh, Hershey. Fuck, no. The nerd ropes.
Okay.
yeah.
Favorite candy.
Man, fuck candy. You know what candy is? Do you know what candy
I want
is?
to tell everybody that, man.
No,
Favorite candy,
it's
nigga.
not. Do you
Don't
guys
start
know
arguing
what
it.
fucking
Oh my
candy
God.
is?
But we don't want to hear that right now.
Okay,
That's the question.
that's what I fucking thought. So fuck you and your question then.
Think of one. You should have thought of one by now.
Honestly, my favorite candy.
Alright. Should we do like top 3 then?
Favorite candy,
No.
bitch. You didn't even say your
Nah,
favorite
pick one
candy.
on the head. We'll do speed round. Favorite drink.
Candy?
Oh yeah, go ahead. Favorite candy.
Almond joy.
What?
Almond joy.
Almond Joy?
Yeah.
Nigga, I ain't never see you eat an Almond
You're
Joy.
fucking crazy.
I ain't
think I've
gonna
ever seen you
hold
in
you.
it.
Yo.
I ain't gonna hold you.
Nigga, I just had an Almond
You
Joy.
probably do
I just have an
in the dark.
Almond Joy.
Busting them shit
Well,
down
I just had an
on
Almond Joy like 2 days ago. I ain't never see you had an Almond Joy.
I ain't gonna hold you. That's one of my top 3 for sure.
Almond joys are good though.
Yeah,
They're
they're
fucking
Coconut,
busting.
chocolate.
Of course.
Yo, I know when you
Favorite
look
watch,
at
I go.
that shit,
It gets better.
I know when you look at the shit with the person on the island with the little shits, you be like, boy, I'm about to go visit this shit right now before you go eat that shit. Like, yep, that's about right. You know what I'm talking about?
Favorite water, go.
Favorite water?
Yeah.
Fiji.
Fiji, yeah.
Cool kind of water.
Favorite
Nah,
you
That's
finessed
impossible.
Me. You finessed me.
Imposter. Imposter.
You got
Somebody
me.
arrest this.
You finessed me. Wait,
Yo.
I didn't think about that.
Fuck that.
Cause you know
I think I'm gonna still say Fiji water.
Nope.
It's Fiji
Nope.
water because it's
Nope.
coconut water is not a real water. You can't get that
That's-
shit.
yeah,
that
you
shit
finesse-
is
It's
from
like
fucking.
juice.
That's from a tree.
Yeah, it's
That's
juice.
not. They don't produce that water
Coconut.
in the regular
Coconut
water
juice.
industry.
Yeah,
It's,
coconut
It's
liquid.
juice. It is juice.
What did he just say?
I don't know.
Coconut droppings.
no.
Favorite
Drop
Jamaican
it.
treat? Coconut drop.
Oh, that drops good. Oh god.
Oh God.
Yo,
No, I ain't gonna lie.
I'm trying to think of something else
I
though.
go-
Wait, I don't want him. The pink guy on white one. Bird food.
Bird food,
Oh,
good food.
Great like it. I think
That's it, name?
no.
With the way the other one name with the shell around it and the coconut in it.
Oh, Gazada. Yeah, I was just
Yeah,
finna
Gazada.
say that too. That one good. That one bad. Yeah, when it's made good.
When they make it, somebody try it for
What?
No, yeah. Now
Yeah,
my
like-
freshman, I've been over it.
Tough.
what? Like a fucking sour
Yo, what?
With little coconut.
They be tr-
Nah, man, like.
No, bro, no.
Nah, what do you mean? Massage. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Like you can't chew you.
Wait, is this your favorite drink?
Sprite.
Wait. Okay.
Soda?
Favorite
Slushies.
Fruit punch.
I don't
Soda,
really care for
come
soda.
Soda?
Ginger ale. You got me.
Oh,
fucked
yeah,
up.
ginger beer.
Passion fruit.
Passion. Yeah,
No,
juice.
cola champagne. Oh, favorite juice?
Cola champagne.
Yeah, that's my favorite soda.
Cream soda? No.
Oh, that's good too.
Cream soda.
Favorite juice? I would say mango juice.
Pineapple champagne.
Mango juice.
Yes.
Mango juice? Mango juice. Nah, I'm gonna have passion fruit. Passion fruit.
What? Go ahead.
Passion fruit over mango.
Go ahead.
What?
What?
Favorite fruit?
Mango.
Mango. Yeah.
Oh, you mean?
That's that. That's that.
That's tough. That's how pineapple. No, man.
Oh,
Pineapple close second, even though I'm allergic.
Pineapple. Yeah.
Depends, bro. There's a lot of good fruits out there. You got me fucked
Yeah, that's
up.
what I'm
I
saying,
can't
like,
pick one.
No,
Yeah.
mango top
Can't.
tier.
Strawberry, I'll kill for some strawberries.
I warmed up
Bro,
to
you know
blackberries.
strawberry cure, motherfucking
Are real?
What's
Well, no,
that?
they are real. Strawberries are real.
strawberry
Cancer
cures
or
cancer or some
strawberry.
shit like that. Some shit, some crazy shit like that.
I be hearing some shit.
I think this
Like
is-
making sure you wash them good because
Yeah,
it
you
be
gotta wash
bugs.
All
Yeah,
fruits.
you gotta watch them.
Bro,
Yeah, man, yo,
like I
if me look
said,
on a
produce
strawberry
is-
and it look good, like perfect,
No.
but nah, nah.
Fuck that. Just
Gotcha.
wash everything you see. You wash that.
Yeah.
Fam.
Every
me say.
fruit, every fruit.
The strawberry have to
look
wash
funny
it good.
and no look perfect, like it's perfect, like you don't want to see back up, you don't want to see it almost.
You want to see?
Perfect. You see me? Yeah. One,
It's a
no,
bullet dash
when we
with
pick
a
it up
woman.
and see it's a whoop whoop. All right.
You know, it's a
Let me
woolly
see
pack.
something. Yeah, man, no one.
A woolly patch of the man get Oh, who the trouble you get that yeah down?
No, better.
Okay, you want to take one bite and that's where everything.
Anybody like fruit tree?
Nah, I had to. Cause when I grew up, I have a big mango tree and I
Well,
had a big jackfruit tree. Right?
well, what if I take it to but is certain things gonna have? If the people that have it,
Never have a teeth.
they might grab.
Jackfruit is definitely my number 2.
I mean, up here, so yeah,
Yeah.
we teeth some mango tree. Yeah, up here, so we teeth some mango tree, but. Jackfruit, yeah man, jackfruit be busted.
Favorite sandwich? I probably say burger.
Sandwich.
Burger.
Grilled
burger?
fucking chicken, bro. Grilled fucking
Nah, I ain't gonna lie,
chicken.
burger.
Chicken is
Well
good
done,
too, but I
yeah.
love
That
burgers.
shit
They hit
slightly burnt.
different. Cause I can eat chicken
Burger's
nuggets.
gonna hit.
I can eat chicken tenders.
Chicken tenders.
Chicken is chicken.
Chicken is chicken.
It's like
Them
a
too much chicken, brother.
Nah, man, we don't have too much chicken.
Yeah,
We
so
say
start
grilled chicken, brother.
It soon start
We
flying.
need the protein. We need the biggest. We need the most protein, bro. They say go for the biggest blood clot, bro. Don't you?
No, brother. Used to raise bird.
Cook, nigga.
Used to raise chicken and everything.
Chop them up on.
Well, I was just looking at.
Stir
What?
fry.
Yo.
Drop them now some hot water.
Chop off your head.
And then pick
Cut
off
off
this.
fully collect
Pick
them.
off the feather them.
What?
On the line.
Pull them off. No, pick them. Pull
You know
them.
what I mean? And them thing.
Alright.
Two different.
Would you prefer turkey and saltfish for breakfast?
Or kalu.
Yeah, our
I can't
saltfish.
I guess, yeah.
Turkey and saltfish.
I can't
Yeah.
stop this, brother. Easy thing, that, brother. One tree.
Yeah, that's how I can saltfish.
Mom tell me that callaloo good with some banana.
Yeah, man, that me I say no.
Or some fried dumplings.
Yeah.
Yeah, some fried dumplings.
Alright, me I say if you have a pick,
Fried plant.
wild air fry.
Eh?
Wild air fry.
Boiled
With
fried
everything. Plant, banana,
Boiled
That-
fried
Hey,
plant.
dumplings.
Or dumplings.
Fry it, blood clot.
no,
Everything
yeah,
fried.
no,
Bread
Fry
fruit,
it.
fried.
Oh, yeah.
no.
Bread fruit,
Yeah.
everything fried.
Shit.
Stir fry.
Can't do that, bro.
Fry
Yeah.
it, blood clot. Put the hand on the fryer.
Can't do that.
Yeah.
Oh, you want boil blood clot
Either
everything.
you gotta get one or the other.
They're gonna watch water.
You gotta get the two of them.
Yeah, fried banana.
What do you mean? Why you can't?
I like green.
No, applying. Like that banana.
Banana, no, alright.
They can't fry dumpling.
Banana no cook. Banana no.
Yeah, but I
Banana.
listen
Banana
up.
comes in a boil.
Brother, what you want?
They can't fry yam.
What you mean? You never had a fry yam?
No.
Yeah, I hear that. Yeah,
I
fuck.
fried cassava.
Fry cause
I'm telling you
that. Fry everything over. Jamaicans are frying the fuck out of everything.
Yeah, no, that's frying over there.
I ain't gonna lie, Vic, when you said that, I see some shit, boy. What the fuck, nigga? Better.
And then when they don't fry, I throw some mackerel and see
Yeah, what?
Yo.
All of that shit fuck up, nigga. They still gonna name that shit, nigga. And I guarantee they still gonna undercook that shit, run that shit low for. They gonna cook that shit for 2 days, nigga. But when they done, bitch, that shit gonna look proper.
Y'all ain't picked though. Fry or boil?
I say
Yeah.
fry.
Yeah, you did say. Yeah, you definitely did.
I'm always frying.
I think I would say fry too. Well, I love
With
festival.
akira saltfish.
Yeah.
For breakfast.
Festival,
You want
mami.
fry or you want boil that one?
With akira
With the akira saltfish.
Bro.
For
Fucking
breakfast.
red
Yeah.
fruit, fam.
Boil for
Yeah,
breakfast.
breakfast. Yeah, boil.
Fry me busting though. This thing
Yeah,
must
man,
have
fry
fried
Yeah.
dumpling.
Busting, but
That
that
could
This
be
thing must have
brunch.
fried
That's
dumpling.
more like brunch.
I told you.
Me
Some
say
fried
boiled
dumpling
dumpling
and
and
some
two
akira
banana.
saltfish.
boil like boil.
And if you have a sweet,
Boiled food probably more
What's
healthier.
up,
No,
Milo?
the boiled food, yeah.
Probably more healthier.
not
Yeah,
fully
banana.
ripe.
Cause you're not fried on the
Yeah,
food.
banana,
Yellow,
yeah,
but
yeah,
not
yeah,
really.
yeah.
But you have to remember, say you're not fried.
Machine now.
Yeah, I love
Yeah.
brunch.
You're not fried on the
I'll
food.
make
So all like nutriment and all of them good something that we're supposed to get out of blood clot food, you're not disappeared with the blood clot fire. You know what I say?
So,
Burning.
fire them two to pan. But me understand what you said about it.
Burning, man, burning.
Boom.
Big flame.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Dream car.
Boy, I don't think I have one.
Drink.
But I know what car I want, like that I
Dream
want
car.
bad. The Gladiator.
I'm on fucking
Jeep.
Porsche.
Yeah, Porsche for sure. Them shits be sliding.
Nigga, motherfucking Porsche.
I have two, but honestly,
I would cop a
fuck that.
SRT too.
Fuck that. Let's
as
say
a toy.
No, fuck that. Let's say dream car. Money's not an issue.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That would be a toy. SRT, I'll just cop that to play with. But definitely a Jeep Gladiator. Probably like, a little C class.
We need a daily and then we need a weekend car. You only get 2 vehicles to pick.
2?
You can start and then we're gonna go around. Money is not an option. So it could
Daily?
cost 5 million,
Well,
10 million,
fucking
12 million, even if you don't know the name of the
Civic.
car.
I'm
Even if,
really not
even if you don't know the name of the car.
Daily. Civic.
I'm really
And it doesn't
not
matter on your transportation. It
Well
don't matter on the
clean.
vehicle.
Well said.
Only
Everything good.
It don't matter on
Nah,
your
worry about
transportation.
nothing.
However you,
Civic.
whatever you want to
Okay.
travel in.
Everyday car would probably be,
Weekend?
I don't know.
Porsche.
It's kind of hard. I was gonna say
But
everyday Porsche.
Weekend.
I'll make my everyday
weekend
car
Porsche.
Porsche, and then my weekend would be the truck, the Gladiator.
Porsche.
Because Porsche could be an everyday car.
Yeah, Porsche should be every car.
Yeah.
But
But I'm a
Civic,
car
an everyday
person, so
car.
I'll make my truck my weekend
Isn't it?
vehicle.
Civic,
Because I
I'm
don't drive.
everyday car.
Even though I learned how to drive off of trucks, I got used to cars. So
Porsche, I got maybe
I used to be
weekend
scared to drive
car.
cars. Yeah, I'd be
Boy.
so scared.
You would have fooled me. Shit.
Man, in
Who was
driver's ed, they put me in the truck. Creek always had that one truck.
Yeah.
They made me do it because I was the only one that would be sliding it. Sometimes they'll tell me like, yo, like, don't put your foot on the gas.
You go over there. Boom.
No, like I'll just put my pinky toe on it.
Okay.
Floor it.
Floor it.
Okay.
Floor it.
So answer. What's your shit looking like?
I told you, well, I ain't gonna lie. For the nostalgia, I gotta get a fucking GTR.
On a daily?
No, that's like a
Weekend.
weekend car. Yeah,
So what's the daily? What's the daily look like?
daily?
Money's not an option, bro.
Realistically,
It don't matter what your gas look like. It don't matter what nothing look like, my boy.
if money's not, I'm stupid rich. I'm fucking Elon Musk rich.
Daily.
Daily,
GTR on you on some fast vibes. You going
What's
on
a
the track
GTR?
every fucking weekend.
the Nissan.
0.60 and 3.4 seconds.
Yeah, it's like a weekend car.
Is that a
Daily?
coupe?
Yeah.
Yep.
Knew it.
Usain Bolt. He got that shit in all gold.
Yeah,
That's his favorite car.
but
Sounds awesome.
daily car, I ain't gonna lie. I roll around in a Maybach.
Which one? It's too many. It's too many. You can't catch me like that, motherfucker.
Yeah, man.
Too many, my boy. This is a tough decision right here. Holy pa blood clot Benz. Shout out to Bomber Clot Mercedes Benz. I
Yeah,
make
I fuck
big
with
Bomber
Benz.
Clot vehicle for a long time. Holy pa fucking people can't keep up. All Elon Musk can't keep up with Benz. Right now, Elon Musk will give Benz the blueprint.
One, bro.
Them get fucked.
I love Maybach over Bentley.
I
But
don't
you
care
gonna
for those big body ass cars. They look nice though.
Maybach
But you
comes
gotta
with
understand,
so
if
many
I'm that rich,
luxuries.
I'm not driving that shit.
Yeah, he's gonna get a S. Yeah,
I'm
you
gonna chauffeur the round.
you drive a
Yeah,
Maybach.
that's
You drive a Maybach. You sit in the back. You got your
Yeah.
laptop on the shit. You in the big ass comfy, get the
That's what I'm
massage.
saying.
You got the TV monitor on that shit. You got your champagne. You got your cooler inside.
Good
I
after
would
that,
not
is that?
drive that.
You're messing.
Bam.
You're
But
messing.
that's my daily
One
car.
person
Aren't
cash
you
bill,
so
I want
cool?
to.
We're going to the mall.
Don't let this nigga be your chauffeur, fam. He
This
talking about he gonna be your cameraman. He gonna be your shooter. He gonna be your shooter. He gonna be your chauffeur. And he gonna be your goddamn.
Yes, man.
Hey, have y'all watched Bel Air? The remix of like Fresh Prince that they made? They made like a modern version of it. Hey, remember Butler? In the new one, in my Batman, right?
Oh,
My British accent.
no,
My British youth. Wait, my Batman.
Favorite movie or what movies are you watching right now?
No,
Or shows
I
or
watch this anime right now. Allegedly.
I'm watching Sandman
Someone
right
told
now.
me to watch One Piece.
That's what I'm watching
Anime?
right now.
For real?
Yeah.
That means I gotta watch it.
It's
don't get caught up.
no,
don't
no,
listen
I'm
to
not
this.
gonna lie to you. if you're gonna start, just know it's long as fuck.
That shit is never ending, my boy.
Listen.
Yo,
I got a brother to this day been watching this shit since he was like 8 years old, and the nigga still didn't finish. He watching this shit. One piece.
That's cap.
Yeah, boy.
Because I started last year in August. And August has passed, so it's been a year, but I haven't finished. And it's still going, mind you. They're still making new episodes. But it's 1,030 episodes right now. I'm on 910.
is it good?
Yeah, the man said religiously. You know this nigga would sit there for
Religiously.
4 hours straight and watch 10 of them bitches or 4 of
I
them
really
bitches.
will. I'm not gonna lie.
Is it good?
It's
I like
amazing, but that's the problem. You're gonna be sitting there locked in on this shit talking about.
Yeah, but the thing is, they like the English version is not caught up.
I was just about to ask that. Is it
So,
in English or are there
It's in
subtitles?
English to a certain point. But then, honestly, I didn't bother to do the English versions because I knew it was gonna get to that. So I just did it from the beginning, just so I didn't spoil myself. God, if I got halfway there and I started having to watch that shit sometimes.
Back again,
I
stupid
was
ass.
like, damn, bro. So, yeah.
Yeah, nigga.
But
Got it.
movies I just watched.
Nah, I'm watching
Watch
Sandman
some
right
Bad
now
Blood.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. on Netflix. It's a I don't know. It's a great movie. You just gotta watch it. It's a great movie. You gotta watch it.
Movie?
Yeah, he's the king of your dreams.
Do they put that song in there?
No.
Really? Maybe they want to pay for it.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, he's the king of dreams, and you gotta watch it.
Do they talk about like the sand in your eyes?
Yeah.
I
I
forgot
think
where
it's one of
I
those
saw
movies that if
from.
he talks about it, he's gonna fuck it up.
Yeah,
let's
so
think
like
he's
you
not trying to
gotta
talk
watch
about
it. You just gotta watch it. Like
He said it's a movie though, it's not a show.
it's a show. It's
Well,
a show.
You're fucking Jamaican.
I can't watch TV shows.
Everything is a movie.
Right? That shit aggy, bro. That's
Everything is a
why
movie, and the movie's a flip.
Right?
Fuck.
Yeah. So just just have a few episodes. I forgot what
Went
episode
home,
I'm on,
pulled this
but
shit
that's
up,
just
started
fire.
watching this shit. Like,
Watching the movie on YouTube.
Now get captured. And
no, stop. Yo,
Whose is this? Cause I know I don't have it.
that's mine.
Cause I know I ain't have no
I joke.
favorites. Favorite brand.
Fuck that. I have a
No,
great
designer or-
question.
Yeah, designer.
I have a great question.
Go ahead.
You know, I'm no youth yet, right? Oh shit, now no youth.
We're
Right?
taking shots before we do this. We should take shots. Are we live?
Shots.
yo, we
You don't
at
want a
it. Yeah, I thought,
Oh, you
shot.
messed up
Alright.
that cup over there.
I got a half a cup.
I knew you wasn't going to drink all of this.
I drank a half a.
I know. I knew you wasn't going to drink all of this.
I'm drink the other half. So.
Alright, so only one person have youths.
So onto this one.
So you know what?
Number one person of youths.
Oh, yummy.
Same answer. I'm gonna let y'all answer first.
Who's y'all?
I'm
Why
gonna
we gotta
I'm-
answer first?
No, matter of fact, I'm gonna let you answer first. That way, you feel me? Hopefully, these niggas will have.
Bro,
some type
ask your
of
question,
sense.
bro. We got like
All right, so
3 minutes, 2 minutes.
would you, and if you would, at what age would you allow
My jit
it?
to have a jit
no,
or to have sex?
your jit to be able to smoke?
Nigga.
We are at the gas station.
Alright, so
We are
look.
at the gas station.
So look,
Good question.
it is a good question. I'm probably gonna say like 15. But, right, if let's say, I got a son and just bad like me, whatever, find some friend and I burn weed out the road and things like that at a earlier age than 15, and I happen to notice, is it me? then why not? Just give him the rules and the lessons and the talk and say, and
Yeah, he's gonna do it anyway.
yeah. So
Where would you allow him to bun?
where, nigga, at the crib?
In the house?
You can't bun a room.
Nah, if I'm not bunning in the house, you can't bun in the house.
If you are bunning in the house, though.
If I am, yeah, of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that brings to my second question now.
Nah, if I'm bunning a slip already, you can bun one too. But you ain't gonna bun no slip when I'm not there in the house. Get your ass outside, Jay. Nah, Jay, I still go.
Alright, so that brings to my second question now.
Alright, if you gonna do it in the house, either do it. Let's say we have like a specific area.
Yeah, like a,
Yeah, you can burn the weed over there. So, alright, in your room
okay,
or in your room, isn't it? That's what I mean. Like, but just like you say, if me burn out split in the house, like at my house, then they can burn the split. But if you're dead, you know, say one ear and exactly.
Alright, stay present. I would love to, hear your response.
I'd rather that nigga come to me first and be like, yo, dad,
I understand where you're coming from. I understand. So now you actually have, little man coming up in this, you know what I'm saying? In this, big step up.
JJ. I definitely do feel like it's possible for him, but I feel like it is possible for him to possibly, smoking.
Mm-hmm.
If he chooses to, of course. But if that is the case, he definitely, gonna be vibing with me. I'm gonna let him know, ins and outs to me, the pros, the cons.
Mm-hmm.
Not any peer pressure shit, not to be around just smoking it anywhere.
Sure.
I'm gonna tell him stories so he know this shit is real.
Certain people watch who y'all, y'all smoke from then make sure you know for rule that and split, brother.
Yeah, don't just be smoking with people. Don't be smoking bitches out and shit. Yeah. Fuck all that.
Leeching ass.
Coming out by no more weed.
But if you want, you can smoke in the backyard, whatever the fuck, however the situation is.
Not in the house, nigga. This is my crib, nigga. I pay bills here, not you, nigga.
I mean, it depends on your situation, bro. If we not smoking in the house, we not smoking in the house.
I'm having my house, I'm gonna have like a room for weed. Like a room
I did say that too, though.
Like a little activity room. Like,
I don't plan on that.
You see how my bedroom is? Like how it looks like that? I want to have a room just like that, minus the bed. Just mirrors. So that room would be, go smoke in there, some shit. Go do some yoga.
Me personally, it hit me the other day, right? It hit me the other day, right? I have two things that I say, okay, you know what? It's either these two things gotta go or it's nothing. And that's gonna be motherfucking studio or motherfucking like a home studio or motherfucking sauna. Cause I heard if you do a sauna X amount of time, a day, that shit it helps with something. I think it like something with your body or something. You release some type of shit to where.
There's gyms with saunas.
Yeah.
Studio.
Yeah, but honestly, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do everything in one. I'm gonna do one room, but I'm gonna have the studio, but I'm gonna have the damper the walls and shit. I'm gonna have the sauna in the corner and probably have like a little couch where you can vibe out. Niggas probably could go ahead and just vibe out. A nice big comfy couch. You get me? I say man can press out and put a one table, man can beat some games or one. Chair.
So all right. So since we talking about houses right now, how y'all trying to set up your house?
I can't get with my sauce right now. My shit.
It don't gotta really be the sauce, nigga. Cause by the time you talk about this right now, by the time you actually get your house, that shit probably gonna be way different. It might be having similar shit, but
the shit. Well, my shit right here.
I want a hot tub.
My shit means so much to me, fam.
Or a jacuzzi, something.
My shit means so much to me that I've been working on that shit since I was like.
And if you have a jacuzzi or hot tub, you have a pool too. Mm-hmm. So it's lit. A fireplace.
A lot of shit. It don't take much to make a house. You know what I'm saying?
Nigga,
all you got, bitch, is a motherfucking.
Look, I say, 3-bedroom living room.
All you got is a motherfucking kitchen, living room, dining room, and motherfucking bathroom and bedroom. That's it. it's up to you how you gonna renovate that motherfucker to go ahead and it ain't gotta be no big space. It ain't gotta be no small space.
Come on now.
I love
Decent size
marble.
We're talking
I
like
like glass.
Flooring.
okay, same way how we was talking with the cars unlimited. You building a house. How you set your house up?
Oh God.
And I'm gonna have a
If
loft.
I could set up a house where no money was involved, oh my God, bro. Woo, I go stupid. You see Rick
And I'm
Ross?
gonna have back doors. Like
You see Rick
secret
Ross'
doors
house?
that lead
I'll make
around.
Rick Ross' house look like it's a fucking penny, my nigga. That shit would look like a fucking. The fuck was that? You get what I'm saying? That shit look like a fucking baby raccoon, my nigga. You be looking at that shit, you about to boot that shit 50 yards. You get what I'm saying? But for sure, I would. The thing about it is, my house would be like. That's sauce right there. I can't get weird right there, bro. My house would be like, it wouldn't look like a house. I would have so much shit going on. So much motion going on where you wouldn't even know where is Taj here? Is he there? Is he here? Shit, it's money going around. So much money getting made. Shit, I might as well jump on one of these waves. You get what I'm saying? By the time you find me, I'm gonna be over there on the top of a fucking tree. You get what I'm saying? In my camouflage suit on some rich nigga shit. You get what I'm saying? Duck.
I do not get what you're saying.
But it's you know, Rick Ross got what? Rick Ross he just bought his neighbor's house. Rick Ross' neighbor's house is 103 acres or some shit like that. His house, that his property that he bought, he finally invested a lot of bread into it. You know what I'm saying? It's probably worth like maybe fucking 100 mil right now, or probably 10 mils, some decent couple mils. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, now he got like what 300 acres right next to each other type shit. Yeah. So I would have like, if his shit would look like a penny, you know what I'm saying? I would have like over 1,000 acres to the point where it's like I build my family on my fucking land. You know what I'm saying? Like my land, you don't even know where my house is. Everybody's house is so fucking nice, and everybody got so much motion going on that. You know what I'm saying? It's which house is Taj's? You know what I'm saying? Because, bitch, this land's so fucking big. Like, what the fuck, bitch? At this point, like, I might even be in a fucking apartment. I might be in the smallest house on the block. You get what I'm saying? I might just have all the doors. I might own all the doors. Yo, that's what I'm trying to tell you, fam. That's what I'm trying to vote for Taj for president, you heard? Fuck Donald Trump. And I'm not a Democrat either. I'm not a Democrat. Sponsored. And I can just do it.
Jet.
I ain't gonna lie, you know what's funny though? Because in my head, you know, every time I say this shit and every time I hear everybody else say this shit, I don't want to hear nobody say this shit but one fucking person. And every time I try to say this shit like this nigga, I can't say it like this nigga. You know what I'm saying? That shit's so fucked up, but it's so funny at the same time. Yeah, I'm on the Casamigos, you know, it ain't even hitting like that, you know what I'm saying? It ain't it. About to call that boy and be like, yo, say that shit one time. Hey, let's do it one time for the podcast, fam. Call that boy in the face. Shouts out to that boy, Mr. Overtime. Yeah,
New lighter, yo.
What? Yeah, where my shit?
That's not even yours.
Where my shit?
My shit. What the fuck?
Yo,
Stop playing with
who
me.
get lighter?
Yo,
I got a new lighter. I got a box of chicken.
Who get lighter?
I'll talk about this.
I thought you don't know about that. You see, that?
What? There's one more. You want it?
No, man, I'm good, man. Big dirty chicken.
Yo, Yo, this shit way bigger.
Belly full up.
It's about to take off.
Don't stop flying.
Yep, all of them. Oh, you want to use my lighter?
Yo, Taj, let me get that lighter then.
Yo, you trying to steal my lighter?
Yo, give me my shit.
Yeah.
Yo, they over here stealing my lighter and they talking about theirs.
Yo, this nigga trying to steal my lighter.
All the lighters belong to the gas station.
Yo, nah.
All the lighter.
I brought that lighter to the gas station.
All
I
the
only
lighters
own this lighter
belong
I'm
to the
claiming.
gas station.
But
You know
all
what?
the
Don't
weed
let
at
say
this
that
gas
again.
station, I own it.
Yeah, all the lighters belong to the gas station. Okay.
But this lighter I'm claiming is, I brought it here.
Big Dookie to you.
That's the gas station.
Who,
gas
you?
lighter.
You? Yeah, T.
You heard? That is the gas station gas lighter. Okay?
Yeah, T.
Yeah.
Get your mans, B.
Yeah, move it here, brother.
Ease up.
Nah. I know you never gonna say shit.
What?
But yo, I know you heard that nigga. I know you fucking heard that.
What?
This shit sound like a llama in the fucking. That shit sound like a fucking. Bro, what the fuck, bro?
What is that?
Man, no, I'm designed.
Can't even talk.
I honestly don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, just try to listen for something better.
You alright, fam? Is everything okay?
Yeah.
Did you hear, Taj?
Wait. He said he heard a llama.
Shit
You
sound
heard
like
a llama?
fucking baby goat was in that bitch. Bang. I swear, bro. I'm not fried.
What a ghost is.
Yo, you good? You
A100.
frost?
Yeah, I'm fast still, but
This nigga said a baby llama.
that's what I'm saying.
Yo, a
When I
shot.
hear shit, I know this.
Yo, a shot. I got some.
Nothing.
What does the llama sound like? Do a llama noise.
Huh?
Do a llama noise.
She does not.
How the
know.
fuck would a llama sound like? I don't fucking know.
I'm shit like that. I'm a
YouTube. You know we got.
Happy llama, sad llama.
Got
Y'all know
what?
that? Mentally, y'all know that thing?
Nope.
Really? I go for my
Yeah, we was like,
I did too, but I don't think I Blood card.
Jaja.
Oh, my blood card, man. Fuck. You're drunk. Where's my grandma too? Y'all niggas don't care how my grandma.
No one took nothing from nobody.
You gonna give out my lighter. You gonna stop. That's a brand new lighter. Just what that.
Damn, I need a lighter.
Todd says he's done.
We got a lighter. Dog, just plug up the thing.
You wanna use my lighter?
Yeah, I'm gonna use this right here.
I want these bombs on. Yo, make sure you pass on.
Matter of fact, you can have it. I'll give you my life.
Oh, yeah? Alright, bet.
You know.
Hey, but me drink up in them. Nah, get some shit, but me drink up in them by you. Make sure you give up like that. Yeah, shit. Yo, pass on.
What's up? Nigga, if you don't move your head over here.
Passport, how else would you get up there? He's gonna fly with the chickens?
When I thought you don't realize that everything's second on one place for a reason. But yeah, man, we at the gas station, you know what I'm saying, holding the vibe. On a Thursday night. Well, it's Friday morning now. But, yeah, we're still here. Sipping on some Casamigos. really don't want to take this shot right now.
Yeah, you poured it. No
Okay.
one poured it for you.
Okay, and I mean I want to take. Hmm?
Alright, so I guess it's an intermission. Oh, you took the shot? That's why you quiet. Shot o'clock. Alright, Vic, go
I
ahead.
took some of it.
You gotta finish the bottle.
Finish it, yo.
You gotta finish the
So, Vic, you ain't even got none in your cup. You acting all funky.
It's just water. I can't breathe. Oh my god. Y'all help me. Oh my god. It's just water.
Yeah.
I'm good, brother.
Go ahead.
Let me get two of them chicken them before them fly
That's
away.
about to say he's preparing to bust this bottle down. That's crazy. What you think eating that chicken is about to go.
Oh, Vic.
Sponsorship, I get sponsorship.
Oh, for public.
Sponsorship on the public chicken.
What? All of us went to public.
Hey, one free.
Because when I talk about the chicken and the chicken wing, they like, no. And then when I consume the wing with it, I know them, I pull it down and I fling it up for that one.
It's not Asian.
Yo,
That's out there. I think that's so good.
what's that? Like a bark? For real?
Yeah.
We do animal noise?
Alright, fuck it. If you go around, you got 3 seconds. If you don't make a noise, then you fuck, and you can't remake a noise.
Alright, I'll go first.
No.
Go ahead, Todd. 5. I did that out.
What?
I said meow.
You didn't say move.
Oh, you started from scratch.
What?
You started from scratch. Alright, whatever. Go ahead. Whatever.
Rough,
you
rough.
can pass.
So what's
Rough.
No, go ahead.
Rough.
That
Alright.
code that you lose?
What you mean? I'm barking like that.
Brother, what kind of dog? A rough.
Rough.
Not dog, a rough. Only for TV show my way, but live on that Jamaican group for watch TV.
My go on about the business there.
Wanna go outside? No dog out there go rough. Them dog they go bite dog. Get off of with this punch, tear up my youth. Dirt, you probably have to jump on ground to blood. It's not fair.
Haven't I lose now?
I didn't lose. Why still I eat?
Go ahead, Victor.
What?
Your turn.
You got me a noise?
Then you make them know how to play. You're the last person to go. You still know how to play? The fuck? Everybody went but you. You see the most.
Too smart for this.
Man, he would have thought something by now.
I don't think it's
You should have done chicken the way you busted down on that fucking. There, I gave you one.
Cluck.
I knew you were gonna say that.
Good. Had to.
Yo, fuck that. All right, tell me about the story about the whitest friend that you had.
My nigga Bryce.
The whitest friend.
Yeah.
Stop my nigga
Funniest
Bryce out,
story about
man.
the whitest friend that you had. Right?
Funniest story?
How white are they?
How white are they?
Funny story about them. You don't know.
I don't know. My nigga not that white though.
Yeah, he white, but he not white. Ooh.
My nigga Bryce.
Oh. Wow. So then that doesn't count. But it's.
He's my only white friend though.
Is his mom and his dad white?
Yeah, that nigga
So
white.
then he can count as white.
That's why I said that he's white, but like, or you said a white moment. Like, I don't have no white moments where I could be like, damn, this nigga white.
Yeah, black.
Exactly.
All right, Victor, got anything? Or just any. As a matter of fact, fuck that. Really random moment. You have any white friends. You grew up in a community that you grew up in. Fucking ghetto. The slums. You guys check him out on all platforms. White friends. Located at ATL.
You're losing me.
Anyways. Damn, I don't even want to put my nigga Bryce on. Oh, my nigga Bryce. I think Bryce was fucking 2 bitches at one time.
Really?
Yep. And he worked with the dad.
Hey, you guys, one time I was walking at the beach and I saw this chicken. It was painting its toes pink. And this man was eating a chicken and he asked the turkey talking to him if he liked pearls or oysters because he wanted to catch a goat.
Was the goat swimming in the lake?
No, I remember.
The goat was in his dreams.
Oh.
I remember
It had
that. The
wings.
astronaut was there with goldfish.
Oh. Interesting.
Goldfish? Anybody
Was
ever
it
had a
barking?
I think it was tweeting,
Mm.
like on an iPhone tweeting.
Yeah, I don't think I know that one.
How do goldfish have sex?
Goldfish have sex.
They have to produce. They reproduce.
They rub up against each other.
Like on the side, or they go one way, go upside down.
Maybe their mouth.
Oh my god.
Now
I don't know. You know seahorses are black, man?
Fair enough.
You know what's funny, man? Yeah, it just popped in my head, bro. I was like, I'm not gonna bring that up right now.
I was begging too. The whole time I'm like, please.
Everybody was thinking seahorse.
I'm gonna bring something up, but please don't bring up the seahorse.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah, seahorse is inverted.
Yeah.
The males are females.
Real fishiness.
That's him never look. That's him never like them out.
Oh wow! So the male fish basically just let the sperm out in the water.
Or they
whatever
just like,
female fish, I guess, is fertile will become pregnant. But
Wow.
they're saying a lot of fish are hermaphrodites, so a lot of them have testes and ovaries
Jesus Christ.
so a lot will get pregnant.
by themselves, I guess.
Wow.
Well, you learn something new every day.
Well,
Or like maybe I don't know how that works. Maybe they could get pregnant by any fish, or they could get themselves pregnant. I don't know how that works.
That's crazy.
that's crazy, man.
Oh wow.
I'm hungry.
All right, so what are we doing tomorrow, guys? I guess this should be the last episode. We got about 7 minutes.
What's tomorrow? Tomorrow's Friday.
Tomorrow is Friday. Yep, we're going to work.
Yo, what's the most amount of money you would spend on your significant other? Money is not a problem.
It depends on what it is.
Like,
Money is not a problem.
If money is not a problem,
Christmas,
it
I'm talking about one time or
whatever,
year time,
nigga.
We wanna go. We wanna
Whatever,
go
nigga.
to,
If money is not a problem, whatever.
You just be spent.
Exactly.
So just
What
put
you
a
want?
number.
You want this? You want that? You want this? You want that? All right, man. Just grab all that shit.
So now y'all think about this shit. Come on, I got money.
You want a number?
Yeah.
You just said money's not enough.
Money's not an option, but at the same time too, like how much you really gonna spend on 100 racks?
Nigga,
If money's not an issue,
nigga, you gotta remember prices of shit are different. So
What does
like,
that have to do with
if
anything?
she go buy two, 3 Birkin bags, nigga, that's about 60K right there already.
Well, look,
So
It's the thing about that now. Look,
I don't know,
let me
but
show you
I'm just
something.
saying, them shit
They're
expensive,
live.
right?
What?
Right. So I'm just saying, he
That's
talking about
why I don't even
100K.
look into
So
that
that's what I'm
stuff.
saying.
They cost like the same, like them the same as Richard.
I don't know how much them shits cost either.
Quarter mil. They got some. I think they got one.
Shit, if they're paying 500,000 for a fucking bag. Oh wait, you said quarter. 250. Either way. For a fucking bag. Are you dumb? But still, that's I don't care.
It's still
That's
investment because it go up, but it's not a better investment than a watch. So that's all
nigga,
that
it's
matters.
gonna go up until they make a new fucking bag.
No, they only
That's
make
gonna
one
come
in
out.
each bag type shit.
Okay, what
That's
I'm
the reason
saying.
why they work the way
When
they
that
work.
shit go up.
And they get made in some type of.
And then they come out with a new one.
Yeah, but they don't come out doing that often. Very
Right.
very little. Come on, and it's very little made. So I should say, regardless of what it's gonna be an investment, regardless of how you see it, but still,
No.
this is my thing,
You
right?
still not buy
You
it.
gonna buy that shit, right? You still gonna want to use a fucking purse. You're not gonna be able to go everywhere. You can't pull up, go to the corner store, go to Walmart, use this shit, go anywhere and everywhere with that shit. Put anything in that bit. You get what I'm saying? Because and plus you don't know what come with it. You feel me?
Oh, fucking no. I'm not using it. That's for her to find out.
Yeah. And when you got them people, when she taking pictures and shit on the gram, and then she at your crib, in your spot, your dogs know where you stay at.
See, I'm gonna be straight. I ain't worried about none of that.
But it's still fresh at your door, and she don't even know what she's doing.
Nah, there ain't none of that. Because it depends on the images and shit like that. If it's showing location and shit like that, it's that. But
You see shit. We get it doing all that flexing and shit, and people doing all that shit. You know what I'm saying?
nigga, you ain't even gotta flex for people to do that to you.
That's true. But once they
But
see
I
more
mean, yeah,
certain
you
things
right.
that
You
got,
know,
they feel
certain
like
shit,
they could
it definitely bring them.
just walk up and grab it and take it. They feel like, I have a chance.
Yeah, but nigga, come on now.
They don't know
If
that
you
they
think,
find what they
come on now, if you out with your girl and she got the Birkin bag, you're not gonna be strapped. You're not gonna be ready for that type of situation.
But honestly, you never know. Predict for the worst.
That's what I'm saying. You gonna be, what you mean, nigga? Cause she fresh as fuck with that Birkin bag. You gonna be fresh as fuck too. So you gonna be protecting yourself as her.
You show you something. Say you got something to do.
You gonna probably have your chains on. You don't want a nigga to run up on you, take your chains, your watch.
That first time you went ahead and you was out with her, right? She got that Birkin bag for 2 years later, 3 years later. She gonna use that shit, and now you doing something else. You got a business move or something you dealing with, but she wanna go to the mall with her girlfriends and wear the bag. Bring a Birkin bag to her other friends got a Birkin bag. They got a knockoff, but she don't know that.
Okay, that's cool. I
But
mean,
now they go ahead
but
and
for
set her
one
up
though,
now.
you gonna have to. If they set her up, that's her fault. Cause she gotta know her friends. But that ain't got nothing to do with me though.
even then,
But
like,
on my end,
anybody.
I'm gonna make sure she know, like, yo, you got your strap. You know how to protect yourself,
She gonna have it
basically.
in the Birkin.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. She gonna know how to protect herself. But you talking about setup? That's between her and her friends. I don't got nothing to do with that. I'm just making sure she's straight, protected when she out by herself. You know what I'm saying? Shit, if she gets set up and get robbed in the store, it's by her friends, hey, or them guys on party get drunk off or whatever. They do whatever. I wasn't there. I couldn't help you. I'm sorry. You should have known your friends better. But after the fact, then yeah, I could see what I could do. But
Yeah, I go put tracking device in the blood clot.
Hey, I mean, you know, if phone might then they can track your phone, sit with them there.
Working about way more than the fucking.
Hey, something. You might take that bit.
Hey, boy, I ain't gonna lie, whoever came up on Mellow Rap, came up.
No, that shit ain't going down.
Birkin bag.
You gonna get one?
I never did.
A Birkin.
It looked nice, but I never saw myself saying like, oh, I want to buy a Birkin bag. Maybe it's because it's so hyped up. I probably would have liked it if I never heard about it. But I'm not into hype, so that alone would not make me want it.
You go somewhere and you see somebody with that shit, you be like, bitch, I paid how much?
What is that?
But I like tote bags, so I would easily get like an MCM bag or a Louis V bag.
All right, so we're closing out on the gas station in 10 seconds here. So we're just everyone's a little tired, ready for the morning, and we're out.